Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. How are you all? Let me know the voice is okay. It's really important to know that voice is okay. Hey Abhishek, how are you, brother? George, how are you? How are you, brother? We missed one day, but so far it's good. How are you, brother? Let me know that the voice is okay. I mean, you can hear me. I need to check it. Can you hear me? We can hear you. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. SL leader FF. Thank you, Hans. How are you, Hans? So here is dollar index. Remember this CE consequent encroachment. I marked it from weekly chart. This is the weekly chart, and this candle's weak consequent encroachment. This is that level. Okay, and this is daily chart. I told you that I saw this one actually broken the consequent encroachment. So I was expecting that market will go lower. Then this sell side will be taken. That is my expectation. Now, will it take tomorrow? I mean today? No, I don't think so. I really don't think so that it's gonna take sell side liquidity today. Why? Because of the narrative. I want to see it will retrace from the consequent encroachment. It will go back inside the Friday range. Then Tuesday manipulation, some kind of higher run. Wednesday, Thursday, I will look for the sell side liquidity. It will be taken in Wednesday and Thursday. Now this week I think we have some holiday. I'm not sure. Let me actually check. Is there any holiday or not? Tuesday, Wednesday, yeah, Thursday is the holiday. So we have PMI in Friday. Thursday expansion we will expect in Friday. Okay, the continuation of the expansion I will expect this in Friday, as we have the holiday over there. But Friday trading is very difficult, as it is the last day of the week, and also there is a holiday before the Friday. Okay, everyone, every single one, try to understand, brother. This is the concept, this is the psychology, this is everything. Every time when you will see there is a holiday, people will be so hurried to take an entry over here, because they took their last entry in Wednesday. Thursday they are very impatient, so they couldn't take any entry in Thursday, so they will wait until Friday and they will jump into the market. And whenever there is some kind of rush, the manipulation will be happen by the human being, not by the algorithm. So you have to understand the fact in Friday, the morning session. If you just avoid the morning session, I don't know how beautiful it will be, the setup, or how sloppiness will be there. I don't know. But I love to avoid the morning session after the holiday. Okay. Now what is holiday? All of you know what is holiday, right? If you say any kind of anything from Monday to Friday, then there is I mean there is some kind of Monday to Friday, if there is any holiday. Okay, I think this is Thursday we have the holiday. I'm not sure, because I actually mark the orange and the red news. So just let me know to the comment box, is it holiday or not? And last week I think one of my brother, he told me that Thursday is holiday. So just let me know that. Now price is right here right now. What is your expectation? It is going to take the sell side liquidity because this is very clean? No, I don't think like that way. This is the, I mean, weekly breaker. Do you remember the weekly breaker? This is the breaker. So I will keep it over here right now because it is inside the breaker. Okay. Hey Domino, I will talk about your entry. Domino, La from Sri Lanka. Thanks, brother. You're from Sri Lanka then. Okay, I got it. I'm fine. How are you, brother? Revengeous. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back, brother. I have uh, I have another student with me actually today. My cat, he is actually sleeping just beside of me. I'm just doing this type of things, and he's sleeping. And sometimes he actually use his hand to touch me. So he's the greatest student in my opinion. Whatever. So here is the price. I'm expecting some kind of higher run right now. Why? The narrative. The narrative should work. It should go back inside these runs, this price runs. I really would love to see that market go above, close into the price runs. I would love to see that. Now in dollar index, it will give me the precision or precise price action. No, I don't expect that one. But I want to see some kind of higher run. I want to see that from dollar index. Now, which market will give me the precise price action? Nasdaq and EMA S&P. They will give me the precise price action. They has to close inside the Friday range. Okay. Right now, price is trading to the constant encroachment. I love to see it will. It will retrace from there. Now, this is the hourly chart. Let me actually make it bigger. In my opinion, that is fake breakout. Price went below the constant encroachment. The very next candle, it closed above the constant encroachment. In my opinion, that is fake breakout. Then price, the very next time price came to the constant encroachment. Look where did it close? Oh, at the level of the constant encroachment. That is kind of sign that market would love to go higher. I really would like to see market will go high. I want to see that. Now it will do that. I don't know. I have to I have to actually observe the price right now until 9:30. After 9:30, I will take my decision. This is 15-minute chart. Little bit this candle closed little bit below the constant encroachment. I love to see that market will go higher from the 15-minute chart as well. So from dollar index, now I'm expecting market will go higher. Where it will go? Maybe to this constant encroachment, because I didn't get any rejection from the constant encroachment. Now this is not rejection, okay? This is not rejection. I want the rejection. So I'm expecting market will clear this buy side liquidity. Just let me actually mark the buy side. It will go above that high. It will trade that fair value gap, and if it has more energy, then it will go to the constant encroachment. That is my expectation. What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? The internet is okay. Then why it is lagging? Don't lag. Don't lag. Don't lag. Just a second. I don't know what happened to my chart. It was lagging. Okay. Now it's good. So this is the Nasdaq. This is Friday candle. Price is over here. This is the Friday high. This is the Friday low. Let me actually mark the Friday high and Friday low. This is Friday high and this is Friday low. I want to see price will close inside this range. Now if price can go above this high, okay, above that high, if price price can go, it will come back again over there. I will go to the lower time frame and I will talk about the price over there. But from the daily chart, look how it is doing over there. What I told you, if you remember already, if it can go through this the volume balance, then this is the last volume balance. I will look for that market will go over there and it will trade that volume balance. Right now today, what is my expectation? My expectation is price will be inside this Friday range. That is my expectation from today. I will go to 1 hour chart. Why I am talking about this? Amma কিসে শব্দ হলো? Why I am talking about this? It's because when price is going higher, some of you will think, okay, price is going higher, so maybe it will go higher and it will take here or it will trade over there. You can think like that way, but I am thinking first, I am thinking about the narrative. What is my narrative? Narrative is price should stay inside the Friday range. That is my narrative. Now it will work, I don't know. I will look for that it will work or not. Right now price is trading over there. I am expecting price will go lower. Why it will go low? Let me go to the 15-minute chart. From 15-minute chart, what we can see, this is the last fair value gap. You remember, this is the last fair value gap. We got the consequent encroachment retracement. Now look where what price did. It came back again to the lower part. Now I told you, brother, when you will see there is a very long run, long time, when it will take long time to come back again, don't take your entry over there. In the meantime, I also told you why you are not going to take that entry, because it has taken the sell side liquidity over there. Now did it take any sell side liquidity? I don't see that it has taken any kind of sell side liquidity over there. Instead of that, I think it has made the sell side liquidity. Okay, it has made the sell side, though it is not very clean sell side liquidity, but I am expecting this is the sell side liquidity, as because it didn't take the low of Friday. When it didn't take the sell side liquidity and it went back to the lower part of the 15-minute fair value gap, I'm expecting lower run right now. Now when I will be sure that market will go low, when this high will be broken. This is the new week opening gap, this is the high. Look how beautifully it is making this as a support. I don't want to see that. I want to see a candle will close below this high, then this will be my range from here to here. This will be my range. Why this is only 10 handle, brother? Why this will be your range? It's because price can easily come back again to the consequent encroachment, then it can retrace from there. I don't know it can break this consequent encroachment or not. I don't know that. When you will think that market is going toward this low, when it will break this consequent encroachment, my range will be here to here. When it will break the lower part, then my range will be here to the last gap. This is the last fair value gap, okay, until here 13 handle. But brother, it's very small. I know it's very small, but when you will be in 1 minute chart, if you see some kind of very clean sell side liquidity, you can go maybe more than this consequent encroachment. You can do that. Why I'm not looking at that fair value gap? That is also a very nice 15-minute fair value gap, right? Very nice 15-minute fair value gap. Now if you think this opening gap is not over there, I mean the new week opening gap is not over here, instead of that you have this 15-minute fair value gap, right? This 15-minute very clean fair value gap. Why do you think this fair value gap is important? Why do you think that? Why this fair value gap is important? My question is, why this fair value gap is important? This for domino. I saw your picture. You marked this fair value gap and you told me that you are now looking for this fair value gap, how it react over there. Now my question is, why this one? I don't think so this is very important fair value gap. Why? It is kind of measuring gap. Look at this gap, this run from here to here. This fair value gap is near about the 50%, right? This is the 50%, so this kind of the 50%. In my opinion, this is measuring gap, and I don't count measuring gap as a very important fair value gap. Which fair value gap is important for me? This last fair value gap is important for me. That is my important fair value gap. I don't care about this fair value gap. Then which fair value gap I'm looking for right now? This fair value gap. this is important fair value gap for me right now. Why this fair value gap is important for me right now? What price has done? This is the last fair value gap, right? Price came to the consequent encroachment. This is the retracement. Price came back again to the lower part of the 15-minute fair value gap. Did I talk about this anytime? Did I think I talked, right? It has been rejected from the consequent encroachment. Price came back again to the lower part. Then what happened? In the meantime, it has taken some kind of buy side liquidity from there. I mean, this swing high, this swing high. If you mark these highs, they are also relatively equal highs. So price actually has taken the buy side liquidity. Did it shifted the market? Okay, look at this low, this candle, at this candle. Let me actually mark this candle. Is it market structure shift? Do you think this is clean market structure shift? I think so. This is very clean market structure shift. Why, brother? This low has traded this fair value gap. This fair value gap has traded by this low. So I got my market structure shift. Now this is my first fair value gap. Is there any other fair value gap? No, I don't have any other fair value gap. If there was two fair value gap, then that would be much more, you know, clean price action. But now I have only on this fair value gap, only this fair value gap. I will talk your I will read your message, but let me actually finish this first. Now let me actually mark this one as the 15-minute fair value gap. Guys, try to understand because I'm talking, and if you don't understand the theme, let me know that no brother, I'm not getting your point. My point is, it has taken the buy side liquidity, it has shifted the market. This is 15-minute fair value gap. Though there is no two fair value gap, if there was two fair value gap, I would be sure that market is going lower actually and going to take the sell side liquidity. But as I have one fair value gap, this is 50-50. I mean, this fair value gap can hold the price or it will fail the price. Okay, I don't know. Now why I'm not looking for entry over there right now, sell entry? Why I'm not looking for the sell entry right now? This fair value gap and the new week opening gap, compare both of them. Who is stronger? New week opening gap is much more stronger than this 15-minute or daily or weekly or any other fair value gap. This is much more stronger. This new week opening gap, very strong. Okay, look where price closed, at the level of the high of the new week opening gap. Is it clean? I mean, can you see it? Look, nobody closed below the below the upper level of the new week opening gap. So this is kind of sign that market is actually respecting this high. This is support level, brother. This is retail support level. Do you want to trade support resistance? This is your support. This is your support. This is your support. When this will be broken, this will turn into your resistance. This high. Why this high is important? This is new week opening gap high. How to use, brother? How can I use the new week opening gap? Now I'm talking about the new week opening gap. How I am using over here. What price has done? It went above the the lower part of the new week opening gap, right? Look at this candle. Where did it close? It has closed over there. Now the very next candle, when it was going lower, what should you think? It will go lower? I don't think so. It will go low. It is actually coming lower. Maybe when I'll be in 1 minute chart, I will look for some kind of setup over there. I don't know. I didn't go to 1 minute chart yet. Then if you think market will go low, that is kind of drop. Now brother, it can be the the fake breakout. Yeah, it can be fake breakout. So wait for one more candle. Where did this candle closed? It has closed inside the new week opening gap one more time. The very next candle, where did it go? To the lower part of the new week opening gap. Then it went higher. Now where did it close? It has closed below the consequent encroachment. What do you think? Market will go higher? I don't think so. It can make this consequent encroachment as a resistance. It can do that. Very next candle, boom, it has broken this high as well. Then it went higher. How long it has traded? Did it retrace from a random level? Is this a random level? I mean, now this is a random level, right? Price went here. Now some of you will tell me, brother, it has taken this buy side liquidity, then it came here, then it has been retraced. I need a level. There should be some kind of thing that will tell me that market will go lower. Now what I have over there, I have 15-minute fair value gap low. While this low is, I mean, very stronger for me. Why this is now important for me? I got the rejection from the consequent encroachment. So now when it has traded the lower part, that is stronger for me. But if it didn't retrace from here, I mean from the consequent encroachment, then I didn't tell you that market is going lower. I won't tell you that. I would tell you, okay, now market is actually trading this, I mean the new week opening gap, then it will go back again to the constant encroachment. I need the retracement from the constant encroachment, or I will expect this 15-minute fair value gap will hold the price and send it back to the lower part. That would be my expectation. This setup doesn't mean anything to me if I don't see anything from here. This is how you will read the price. You have to read the price. If you don't read the price, man, it's very difficult, trust me. So this is how. Now brother, you have so many level over here, right? I have so many level. Yeah, I have some levels. I have new week opening gap, I have to keep it over there. I have to keep this 15-minute fair value gap as well to my chart. I have to keep it. Otherwise, how do I know price will go low or price will go high? I don't know. I have no idea. I will look this 15-minute fair value gap right now. Now, where it can go? Can it go above the 15-minute consequent encroachment? Obviously, it can go over there. Easily, it can go over there. But I don't want to see this high will be taken. Look at this high. This high won't be. I don't want to see it will be taken. If market would like to go higher, if it break the 15-minute fair value gap, till now I'm thinking market will go low. Why? Why do you think like that way? It's because I got the setup from here. It didn't take any kind of sell side liquidity. Nothing has taken over here. But it has traded this fair value gap, brother. In my opinion, this is not fair value gap. This is just a gap. This is just a gap. Nothing else. Nothing important. I don't see anything important over here. I'm just telling you how you utilize fair value gap, right? You have so many fair value gap over here. You have this fair value gap. You have this fair value gap. You have this fair value gap. Then here is your one more fair value gap. Here is your one fair on last fair value gap. So many fair value gaps. Price came here, you will think, okay, maybe price will retrace from this fair value gap and it will go higher. I don't think so. If there was no new week opening gap, I could tell you that market is actually going lower. I could tell you that. But as I have this new week opening gap and I can see it has been rejected from the upper level of the new week opening gap, that made me confused. Market will go high or low. I don't know. I need to see that market has to break the upper level of the new week opening gap. When it will be broken, I'll be more confident. Okay, maybe market is going lower. Now 100% it will go low. I don't know, brother. Nothing is 100% certain in this trading market. So many things. You guys are getting confused. Ahmed, brother, are you from Bangladesh? Yep, brother, I'm from Bangladesh. Rahul, hey Rahul, how are you, brother? You didn't tell. I mean, you didn't give me hi. You give everyone hi, but you didn't give me hi. How are you, brother? Domino, I thought of it. Okay, so I think Domino, it's clear right now. I think, and brother, please don't mind. Okay, I just used your analysis to talk about here. Okay, I have just used your thinking because I was thinking like maybe you are not only person who is thinking about this fair value gap. I think there are some other people that are also thinking about this fair value gap. That's why I used your what to say. I mean your analysis, and I explain the thing over here. Okay, so don't mind. I mean, please don't mind. Okay, Uzbek used to trade Nasdaq. Ahmed, I use actually not broker. I was thinking to use AMP, but maybe I will open Pepperstone. So I mean Pepperstone. Okay. Right now I'm just trading through Top Step and FTMO, but I'm gonna quit the prop firm so soon. Can't see my new week opening gap. Why can't you see this is the new week opening gap. I mean this candles open and this candles close. This is the new week opening gap and this is the consequent encroachment of the new week opening gap. Okay, so until now is it clear, guys? Let me know that Is it clear or not? Just please write it down something, otherwise how do I know that you guys are getting my point or not? Okay, please write it down that it is clear or not. What do you what do we call you? I have been joining live stream for so long, so don't even know your. Okay, my name is Titu. You can call me Titu. This is my name. Nice name, right? Okay, Ramesius, thanks, brother. Thanks, brother. Thanks, brother. Kisti. I didn't see your name before. I think this is your first day. Thank you, just thank you. So everyone got the point. Why I am thinking lower run? Why I am not so confident that market will go low? When I will be confident that market will go low, everything I explained, and I hope you guys got it. So if you don't have this level on your chart, I mean that will be difficult. So please mark all of this level. If you have any other level on your chart, I'm not anyone to tell you to remove them, but I can suggest you, please remove all other level from your chart, because if there are so many level, uh, it will be disaster. So please, it's a request, but it's up to you. If you have any other level on your chart, in my opinion, I don't see any other level that is important. Now you can remove this one and this one, you can remove them. I marked them as to see that, I mean to show you that this is the Friday high, this is the Friday low. Okay, that is the only reason I have marked this two level. Now is this my sell side liquidity? No, this is not my sell side liquidity, because this low is here, this low is there, so this is not my sell side liquidity. Now you can actually remove this two level, but rest of all, and also this name. Okay, you don't need to write it down over there. Winning streak, Euro USD today, brother. Okay, just let me talk about this some more, then I will go immediately, then I will go USD. Now from 15-minute chart, where I will go, am I going to 5-minute chart, 2-minute chart? No, I'm not going over there. I'm going to 1-minute chart directly. This is your 15-minute fair value gap, remember, this is your 15-minute fair value gap. Do you see any kind of clean sell side liquidity over here? Any clean sell side liquidity, or is that no? No. Here, no. Yeah, this one is little bit, this one, right? Not perfect, but this is kind of sell side liquidity, you can mark this. So this could be your sell side liquidity. That means market can come here, it can take this sell side liquidity, I mean it can go toward this sell side liquidity. What has it done over there? In my opinion, it has taken the buy side liquidity, shift, it has shifted the market structure, traded this fair value gap. Now it is going lower. Now let me actually mark the theme. Are you going to take this entry? No, you are reading the price. What does it mean, reading the price? Reading price means you have to mark something that will work, okay, some kind of setup that will work. So this is your, I mean fair value gap, and there is another fair value gap actually. This is another fair value gap. So what should be your entry? Where should be your entry? There should be your entry. Where will be your stop loss? Above the constant encroachment of the breakaway gap. I really love to put it above the, I mean the breakaway gap. I really love to put it over there. Now if you ask me about the rule is you have to put it above the consequent encroachment, but I saw most of the time if the breakaway gap is very small, it can trade little bit above the breakaway gap, little bit above. Okay, that's why I put my stop loss above the breakaway gap. I let the price go over there, I let it. Now where should be my target? This consequent encroachment will be my target. But brother, that is not sell side liquidity. Obviously this is not sell side liquidity, but this is much more stronger than the sell side liquidity. Why? Because this is new week opening gap, consequent encroachment. Are you going to take this entry? If you take it, that is kind of disrespect, and if you do that, you will never learn this price action. Why? The reason is, this is the thing actually we call the reading price action. This is the price action reading. I am reading my price right now. How I am reading my price? I saw this setup, right? I saw this setup. This setup is very clean. This low is valid for the market structure shift. Yeah, it's kind of valid, not 100%, but you can tell it, as because it doesn't have an wick, no wick, right? We have the body only, but we have a swing low here and here. Here is one, here is another one. Both of them are higher than this swing low. So this is kind of market structure shift forcefully. As we are not going to take this entry, we can mark this as a market structure shift. We have two fair value gap, that could be your entry. Now if it works perfect way, this is the starting of reading price action. We have been reading the price from very long, from daily, then 15-minute, hourly, then 15-minute chart. Now we are in 1 minute chart. We are actually watching this setup worked or not. If it worked perfectly, then we will expect something else. If that worked perfectly, this is the way you will read until 9:30. Now will you spend this much time every day? Right now you have to spend more time. Why? Because you you can't just open your chart at 9:30 and you can't read the price over here. Why don't you do that? Why you can't do that? Because you will force market. Trust me, brother, you will force the market to show you the setup or something. I mean, this is your learning stage, okay? So you will actually force market. I can see what price did over there, how it has been traded over there. I won't force market. I will go with the flow, because I did this type of things when I was actually learning this price action. Okay, in that time I was actually did all of this thing from maybe 8 or 8:30. I have started my reading price from there. Then I wait until 9:30. After that, I took the entry. So this is the way, in my opinion, to do this type of things. Now, am I right or am I wrong? I don't know. I really don't know. When I will know that it will work. When I will take my entry and I will be profitable, then I will know I am right. Until then, I really don't know. uh, so many messes and something remigious you have done. On the time frame, need the candle close below new week opening up high. 15-minute or 15-minute, brother. Remigious, it should be from 15-minute. New week opening, okay, sufficient to know we are going lower. Okay, it's 15-minute, brother. Would you keep the old new day opening gap when you do decide to remove those new day opening gap, new week? Brother, I told that new day opening gap I will keep for 1 week, and new week opening gap I will keep them for 5 to 6 weeks. Okay, and if I see the new day opening gap has traded after 1 week, I will remove them from my chart. Rahul, 15-minute to 1 minute. Okay, yeah, 15-minute to 1 minute. I'm in Nasdaq futures. Yeah, brother, I think I told you the answer. 8 a.m. candle, would you consider that a breaker? 8:11, let me actually check it. 8:11, 8:11 breaker, this one? No. Okay, okay, high, low, higher, high. Yeah, you can consider that as a breaker. Yep, 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 you can do that. Yeah, you can mark them as your breaker. That is perfectly matched all the rules, so you can mark it as your breaker. I agree with you. Now, okay, thanks, most welcome. Now, Camero, now tell me, what is that? I mean, what you have done to the chat, I really don't know. This is the first time I'm seeing. It's kind of welcome to king, but why it is green? I mean, why it is highlighted over there? Tell me, brother. This order block I will keep it until price will come back again over there. I will keep it, and I will remove the breaker because this is much more easier to see. And let me go to the 15-minute chart one more time. Nice. Let's see how it works over there. I would like to see that it will work or not. I really would like to see market will go lower, but when I will see 15-minute fair value gap, I mean from 15-minute chart it will break lower. Now it can be fake breakout. I am not sure it is fake breakout or not. I am not sure. It can be fake breakout. The very next candle, if I see another candle actually closed below this high, then I will be sure that market will go low. Now, do you guys get my point? Why you shouldn't take your entry before 9:30? It was a very nice setup. Everything was perfect. Market was going lower. What it has done, it went higher again. It has taken this buy side liquidity. I believe it will go low now. That is my belief, but I don't know it will go or not. Or maybe it will go to the consequent encroachment of the 15-minute fair value gap. It will be rejected from there. Then it will trade the lower part of the 15-minute fair value gap. Then it will go lower. I don't know that. That is the reason I told you not to take entry before 9:30. Everything, sometimes I show you that this is the setup and it worked very perfectly, and sometimes you will see it doesn't work at all before 9:30. Why? Because market has so many time before 9:30 to do the manipulation. After 9:30 it has a limited time, from 9:30 to 12, very limited time. Okay, so in that time if you see some kind of very clean setup, I mean this is the well-known setup, if you see this type of setup, it will work perfectly. I just become a member. Okay, so I got a member. I think yeah, you have to pay for this, right, George? You shouldn't do it, brother, because I mean I opened all of them so that I was trying to see how it works, but I really don't know how it works or something. But if you have to, I know you have to pay for this. But thanks a lot for the membership. You are the first one, I think. Whatever. So this is the thinking. I mean, yes, but a very little amount. Okay, if it is very little amount, then okay, brother. Because I really don't want to any of you think that. I mean, I don't know what to say, but really thank you, brother. Thanks for the membership. I have a I have a member right now. Thank you, brother. Okay, okay, okay. Over here, I would love to be. Wait, it's like that way. Hmm. How to? What happened to here? I mean, how to use the what to say? I mean the. Just a second. Just a second, guys. I'm coming back. I need to actually fix this one. I don't know. I don't. Where is the trading option? Trading option. Trading option. Okay, I got it over there. Oh man, seriously. Just a second, guys. I need to fix this actually. Okay, I got it. Take profit, stop loss. Why it is not there? Best button order practice all events like fiction by instant response. But how to make it stop loss? Stop loss is the execution execution level. I don't know. Okay, whatever. I'll see it later. I'll look for that later. Why I actually closed the thing? The reason is please to with the hard temperament. Omitav Kumar, Obhinav Kumar. I have already done this, brother. I've already done this. I will actually close this one. If it can break the consequent encroachment of the 15-minute fair value gap, I will close my entry over there. Why I was doing this? It's because I am using the, the, what to say, the, uh, okay. So this is the, this candle will close. I will close my entry. This is the actually the prop firm account. Okay, so I have taken a prop firm account and I have actually added the prop firm account over there. So you guys, you can see over here. This is trade of it, live account. You guys told me that it is very difficult to trade by the paper money. That's why I have added that account over there. But that I really don't know why there is no, I mean, the stop loss or profit target over there. I will close if I see market close above the 15-minute consequent encroachment. I will close this one. Now, if I take the entry before 9:30, this will happen. Now, this is the time I have to close. I have already taken a loss for 390 something like that. Okay, let me actually show you. This is the trade account. So I got a loss and some other loss maybe over there. I will mitigate it later, but see what happened if I force the market before 9:30. That is the only reason I showed it to you by taking this entry. Was there any reason to take that entry? I don't think so. Why? Let me go to the 15-minute chart. It has closed here. This is the fake breakout. Price is going higher. Clearly it is going higher. Where it is going? Maybe it will take the high. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe it will retrace from the consequent encroachment of this water block. From there it will retrace. I don't know. I need the confirmation first. When I will take some decision depending on, I mean, for guessing that market should go low, or for by without any confirmation, okay, then I will take my loss. That is the thing you have to understand. You guys have to be careful. I will do everything for you. Right now, I mean, until now I showed you by paper money when I take a losing entry, how can I mitigate my loss. Now I am using the trade of it I mean prop firm account. This is real money. I really don't want to show you the account number or something. I really don't know what I think it has some privacy issue or something. So that is the reason I am not going to show it to you, but I will show you how to mitigate the loss by the real prop firm account. Okay, this is not paper money. Now, if anybody take any entry depending on my entry and I take a loss, I when I take entry, I will tell you that I'm going to take another loss. And it's up to you. If you would like to take the same loss, you can do it. But my request is please don't do it. Please don't do it. Okay. So here let it trade over there. I would love to see that market will, it will retrace from there. It will come back again inside this new week opening gap, then it will go lower. That is my expectation. I would love to see that. I'll go to Euro USD right now. But I will check actually it was ill earlier. That's why it did not your video from a lot of days. Please start with that. What did you say, brother? Buddy, I will check. Actually, I was ill earlier. Oh, okay. So you are ill. How are you, brother, right now? Mm, you okay? Going to show buddy your analysis is enough. Thank you, brother. Thank you. But I don't know how to join from. Please help. Brother, actually, no, Ramses. The thing is, actually, some of guys actually told me that it's different that with paper money and the real money. Okay, that is the only reason I'm actually adding this account over here to show you that it is not different. It is all the psychological issue. I took this entry. When I did it, I took it before 9:30. What happened? I took a loss. Okay, now why I took a loss? There is only reason, that is I took that on before 9:30. Before 9:30 price has so many time to do some kind of manipulation or something like that way. Okay, but when I take loss, what I do, I will show it to you. Okay, the thing is, please nobody press your button, nobody push your button. And Ronald, actually the thing is, from me, I have the Portuguese IDs or everything from Portugal. Okay, so when I take take the prop from account, I don't need to face any kind of problem. But some of you actually, I think you need to face some kind of problem. I really don't know how to fix them. Okay, you have to watch the YouTube or some other level or something to fix that out. I maybe I can't explain the problem over there. Some countries actually doesn't allow the prop firm, so that could be a problem. That could be a reason. That could be okay. Paper trade is okay. Okay, Aravind, I gave you the answer. Okay, I will request you at the beginning of your stream put the disclaimer for trading terms like what ICT does, just to protect you, brother. Leave it for 5 seconds or something. What is that, brother Raul? Can you please tell me again? I didn't get your point. What was your thinking? I didn't get it. I would love to talk about the Euro USD now. So prices over here, it has been rejected from the consequent encroachment, and I told you that if I see this consequent encroachment has been broken, then market will go and take that high. That relatively equal highs. After that, there is very little fair value gap, very little fair value gap. It will go over there now. It will go today. I don't know, and I really don't want to see that it will go over there today. I want to see it will trade over there, then it will come back again to the Friday range. This is Friday candle, so it will come back again into the Friday range. Then Tuesday we will see some kind of manipulation to the lower part. Then we will expect some kind of expansion, and it will take the highs, and maybe it will trade over there, or it went above this fair value gap. We will see that later. But today I want to see market will go back and it will trade inside this uh Friday range. That is my expectation from today. Okay, this is a Euro USD. Don't be confused. This is not the future. Rahul, can you please explain that little bit because I didn't get your point. So from hourly chart, we can see prices taken this buy side liquidity. It is traded over there. I mean the upper quadrant, 75%. If it can hold over there and it can go lower, then I will look for some kind of sell entry. I mean, look over here. There is some kind of sell side liquidity over there from hourly chart. This is very clean sell side liquidity. Okay, this sell side liquidity. Okay, so this low and this low, they are relatively equal lows. So this lows can be targeted today. This lows, okay. I don't want to see this high will be broken. I mean, from hourly or 15-minute chart, I don't want to see this high has been broken. From 15-minute chart, it has taken the buy side liquidity. I didn't get any market structure shift. No, I didn't get it. Right now price is over here. I want to see some kind of market structure shift. This low, if it has been shifted, then I will think, okay, that is my market structure shift, because this low actually made the requirement. I mean, this low, it has a higher low on its left, and that would be its higher low on its right. Okay, if that would be the higher low on its right, then this low will be marked as a market structure shift. If market can go through that market, I mean the low and displacement, okay, I need the displacement. There should be some kind of fair value gap. I will look for that fair value gap for my entry, and then this sell side liquidity will be my target. Look at this low and this low. Now you can see, brother, there is another low. Why you are not going to mark that one? Go to your 1 minute chart and see how beautifully these lows are over there. So I love to mark this type of equal lows. That is my expectation. When I will think market is going higher, when I will see this high will be taken. Okay, this high will be taken, and from 15-minute or hourly chart, market will close above the daily fair value gap. Then I will think, okay, market is actually going upper, and it will take the buy side liquidity and it will trade this fair value gap. That will be my thinking. When I will see market will go above that daily fair value gap high. Okay, it has to break that high. It has to close above the high. Now you can ask me, brother, what will I do until here when price will be here? When price will be here, you have to read the price. You have nothing to do other, I mean, except reading price. Why? Because you need some kind of explanation that you can explain yourself. Market will go low. If you don't get anything from the market, you can take your entry. As this is the first day of the week, Monday, most of the trader, they will tell you it is very difficult to trade in Monday. I believe Monday trading is very much easier. Why? Because we know the narrative, how price will act, we know everything. So we just need to give price sometimes. After that, we will act with the price. Now Euro USD has different time zone. I mean, from 7 a.m. New York local time to 10 a.m. New York local time. So that is the range, and it's been a long. I don't trade Forex, so I really don't remember what should be the best time to enter into the market, as I am trading the future right now. And I think you will understand understand whatever I'm telling you. Okay, so you have to do things like that way. So I think that's enough for Euro USD. Right now I'm thinking it will go and take this sell side liquidity, and I will check later. Please remind me to check it, if it can take the sell side liquidity or not. When I will change my bias, when I will see market will go above that daily fair value gap. I need to see maybe from 1 hour chart or 15-minute chart, market has closed above this daily fair value gap, and that can't be a fake breakout. Okay, a candle closed above the fair value gap, the very next candle closed inside the daily fair value gap. That can't be count as your uh, break of this fair value gap. There has to be a candle has to close above the fair value gap, and the very next candle, it has to close above the fair value gap as well. Okay, then I will think this is the breakout. I think that's enough. I'll go to the E-mini S&P now. I didn't mark the new week opening gap over here, but you can mark it. I mean, so it has taken the sell side liquidity over here from hourly chart. Market structure shift, is it valid market structure shift? No, it's not valid market structure shift, but if you go to the 15-minute chart, I believe you will get some kind of valid market structure shift. I believe that. Okay, so it has taken the sell side liquidity, it has given you a very nice market structure shift. Fair value gap, is there any fair value gap? Yep, you have a fair value gap over here. Look at this fair value gap, price traded over there, it went higher, but it has made over there relatively equal highs. This high and this high, they're relatively equal highs. So that is your buy side liquidity. Price came back again lower. Now it is going to trade, maybe that buy side liquidity is going to take that on inside that, above that, I mean the buy side liquidity, that is your last fair value gap. So that is your 15-minute fair value gap. So price can trade the 15-minute fair value gap. When price will be there, I will look how this 15-minute fair value gap is holding the price. If it failed to hold the price, then this will be taken. But I don't want to see like that way. Maybe it can go above, it can take the buy side liquidity, it will be over there, I mean inside the 15-minute fair value gap, then it will go lower. If it can reach over there the 15-minute fair value gap, then it will go above this 15-minute fair value gap, it will take the Friday high, it will take that on. If, just a second, if E-mini S&P can go to this fair value gap, okay, because why I'm telling you this, because E-mini S&P is the sixth sister, she shouldn't go over there. If she can reach over there, she is the stronger one, I mean the Nasdaq is the stronger one, so he will go above this 15-minute fair value gap. I think it can trade the upper level of the 15-minute fair value gap, or little bit higher the 15-minute fair value gap, it can trade over there. This all the things you have to wait until 9:30, and then you have to take your decision. Now I will just remove the execution things, it actually distracts me, and the order block will come. Okay, so now look how beautifully it went above over there. Why? Look at this level, how it has been stopped the market. This fair value gap stopped the market. I don't believe that this fair value gap has stopped the market. I believe this new week opening gap high has stopped the price, and now it is going higher. I don't know how long it will go. I have to wait until 9:30. You have to understand the theme. If you understand the theme, trading is very easy. Don't you believe me? Just check it out today with real money. I'm not doing any kind of paper money. I'm doing the real money. So you can't actually object me, brother. You are showing me the paper money. So when I will trade the real money, it will be different. No man, you will have no option to blame yourself. You have to understand fact. Okay, after placing order cannot modify certain like paper trade in trading view, insist of what we can place limit and stop above the below placing order. Okay, okay, thank you brother. I never trade over here because I trade in one tower. So quant hour actually we did the same thing. Okay, thanks for the information, brother. Thank you. Vino Bukuma, he is saying to put disclaimer like this video is just for information. This will protect from country law and anything else. Okay, brother, I will do that then. The screen ICT show every time at the beginning at the disclaimer. Okay, so I have to write it down. Oh man. Okay, I'll risk a disclaimer. I will do that. But if you any of you can help me about that one, I'll be grateful, brother, because I really don't have the time to make that things to my my English, okay, to my English. So if anybody can help me, I'll be grateful to you, okay? Come. Now, what can I do? I mean, 30 minutes. I have 30 minutes. What can I do? 30 more minutes. Why I have finished today? I mean, what I should talk about? As because this is Monday, uh, I really don't know what to say right now. I have to wait until 9:30. After 9:30, I will start talking again. Okay. Now I'm watching the market. If this mean threshold of this water block can hold the price or not. If it can't hold the price, then I will expect it will go higher. It will take all of this buy side liquidity from there, and finally over there. This is the last level. This mean threshold is the last level that can hold the price. Now, when I will see, I will actually accept that this mean threshold is failed. When I will see market will close above the mean threshold, week can come here. Until here it can come here, then it can come back again below the mean threshold, and it can close over there. I'll go to 1 minute chart. Okay. Price came to the consequent encroachment rejection. Is there any curve? Wow, nice curve. Where is your buy side liquidity? This is your buy side liquidity. Yeah, these sides are very clean, and this is also okay, not clean, but you can mark this as your buy side liquidity as well. This is the 15-minute fair value gap. Okay, price came consequent encroachment rejection. Price went above this fair value gap, came back again to the lower part, went higher. Am I interested to take this entry? No, I'm not. I'm not interested at all. I will take my entry after 9:30. Never ever, brother, never ever take entry before 9:30. That is a request to all of you. If you do that, most of the time you will take the losing trade. I mean, you have to take the losing, because this is a simple thing, right? You have time, so you can do something that is not correct. When you don't have time, you have to do something that should be the correct thing. Everyone will start to take entry at 9:30. Why? We had 2 days off. Saturday and Sunday we had 2 days off. So at 9:30, when the market will open, everyone will jump to this market, and they will try to take some kind of entry. What will we do? We will see how price is actually manipulating them. When the manipulation will be done, we will jump into the market. How do I know that, brother, this is the right time to jump into the market? How do you know? When you will see very clean price action, very clean setup, maybe it has taken very clean buy side liquidity, very clean market structure shift with a very nice fair value gap or two fair value gap, you will jump into the market. Simple, brother. Why the nice movement, sir? Forex, I'm really not interested about forex on Apostolo, because forex is kind of, I don't get the precise price action. That is the only reason I don't like forex. If I don't see any precise price action, I really don't like to do trading over there. Okay, so it has been rejected from the mean threshold of the order block. It is going lower. Am I interested to take sell? No, I'm not interested to take sell. Why? Because this is not before 9:30, and this is not a level where I can take any entries. What did you say? GBP, JPY, GBP, JPY, GBP, JPY. Yeah, obviously that is. I mean, that would be better. But I love to trade Nasdaq right now, because Nasdaq has more perfect, more perfection. Okay, comparing to ES right now. That is why I love to trade Nasdaq for last 1 or 2 months. Yeah, last 2 months I'm actually trading the Nasdaq. Even S&P as are doing something that I really don't like. What is that? They are making some kind of relatively equal highs or very clean highs, very clean lows, but it left that area. It doesn't take that highs or lows. Okay, that things actually made me disappointed to trade in S&P to the December contract. Maybe from the January contract I will shift to the S&P, but right now it is not giving me the precise price action. It left the some kind of very clean equal lows. You will see very clean equal lows. I mean tick by tick. It is tick by tick equal lows, but it didn't take that lows. Instead of that, it went higher. So that is the thing. I'm not actually trading in S&P right now, but I will move there in January contract. I think so. So GBP JPY. And the thing is, what is my barometer? That means how do I know where market will go? I have the barometer over there. USD is my barometer. I mean the DXY dollar index is my barometer. But here GBP JPY, I really don't know what is my barometer. I mean I can't take my decision depending on watching one market. Okay, but let me see actually what it has done. It has made the relatively equal lows over there. This low and this low, they're very clean. The first thing I do, I actually look at the liquidity. Where is my liquidity? I can see only this sell side liquidity, that is very clean. Okay, this is the first thing. Whenever I come to the market, I mark the low, I mean the liquidity, where price can go, then every other thing, I mean the narrative or everything. And right now I think you guys will be bored because I really don't have anything to talk about right now until 9:30. After 9:30, I think I will have something to talk. So it is actually trading over here. It has made the sell side liquidity. It has taken buy side liquidity. Market structure shift, prices traded over there. It went lower, came here, failed to take the sell side liquidity. And higher, little bit lower. So from 15-minute chart, I can mark the consequent encroachment of this order block. Let me actually mark the consequent encroachment. I mean the mean threshold. So this is the mean threshold. If this mean threshold failed, market will go to this fair value gap. I believe that it will go until that fair value gap. If this mean threshold failed to hold the price, if it can hold the price, then market will go lower and it will take the sell side liquidity. So now I will go to 1-minute chart. In 1-minute chart, did it take any buy side liquidity? Nope, no buy side liquidity. It has been traded over there inside anything. Nope, nope, nothing. I don't know, brother, why you told me that there is very clean price action, but I don't see clean thing over here. I mean, can you point out something so that I can actually read the price? I mean, I don't see anything clean price action over there right now because this water block is not, in my opinion, that is actually uh not perfect one. Okay, 187,052, 187,052, 187,052, 18052. Why you are talking about that way? 187,052,052. Here's somewhere. No man, I don't think so. Market will go over there. I mean, yeah, it won't. It can go that much far. It has more probability to come lower, take this sell side liquidity, then it come back again into this range. It can do that, but this far it has low probability to go over there. Okay, look at the candle, brother. This is the candle. This is the candle. This is the candle. So this is, all of these are daily candles. So you can't expect it will come here, then it will go over there. How long the candle will be? It will be very long candle from today. I don't think so. It will go over there. every leg you have the first fair value gap, every swing leg. I mean from 15-minute fair value gap you have to mark the breakaway gap from 15-minute fair value gap. Okay, like look over here, this is the leg. I mean here, here, no, from here to here, where is your first fair value gap? Look at your first fair value gap, this is your first fair value gap. So you can actually skip this price action, you can skip it. Why? Because you don't have any fair value gap over there, so you can skip this price action. Then here to here, this is your first fair value gap, that is your breakaway gap. This is your second fair value gap. Market can go to this fair value gap, then it will go lower if there is any very clean sell side liquidity. This I mean, let me actually mark it, that will be easier for you to understand. This is your breakaway gap, and this is your first fair value gap. Okay, this is your first fair value gap. So you have to expect that market will come here, your stop loss will be above the consequent encroachment. I'll have to put it over there, and just think this is your sell side liquidity, I mean over here. So that should be your entry. Now what will you do? You will go to 1 minute chart, and from 1 minute chart you will wait for some kind of precise price action over there. So this is the first time when price came to this 15-minute lower fair value gap. Okay, this is the first time. Did you get any market structure shift to the lower part? No, you didn't get. Market went above, then went lower. Did you get? No, I didn't see any kind of market structure shift over there. Price went above one more time, taken all the buy side liquidity, it came lower. Did you see any market structure shift over there? No, I don't see. It went little bit lower. Now brother, this is my market structure shift. Now I don't think so this is a market structure shift. Why this is not your market structure shift? Because just a second, sorry, can I just remove this one? I don't need that. Why this is not your market structure? Because look at these candles, they are not a displacement, this is kind of Mickey Mouse move. Okay, little move, little move. So this is not market structure shift. So I didn't get any market structure shift until now. Price went above one more time. Are you going to take buy? No, I'm not going to take buy. Why? Because from 15-minute chart we know this is our breakaway gap, this is our first fair value gap, so that should be the end place from where price should go lower. So you are not actually looking for any kind of buy over there, you are looking for sell from there. It went above again, it has taken all the buy side liquidity, then it has given you the market structure shift over there. This is your market structure shift. Look over here, is this valid market structure shift? Yeah, this is valid market structure shift. Why? Because this swing low has traded this fair value gap, and this is displacement, very nice displacement. This is your fair value gap. So where is your first fair value gap? This is your first fair value gap. Just let me actually mark the fair value gap. This is your first fair value gap, and this candle. Okay, so this is your first fair value gap, this is your breakaway gap. Where should be your entry? Your entry will be at that candle. Where will be your stop loss? Above the breakaway gap, I mean this breakaway gap. Where will be your target? Look, some kind of clean mark, I mean I think that would be better. Sorry, that would be better. This would be better. Okay, these lows are very clean, this low and this low, they're relatively equal low, so that could be your target. Now you are stopped out over there, brother. Yeah, I know I'm stopped out over here because from Forex I don't expect very clean price action. I have to put some kind of, I don't know where I should put the entry, but just think you have taken this loss. Okay, no problem. Wait, price went higher again, it went lower, it went higher again. It was just, I mean, conflicting over there. When first time it went above this fair value gap, it come back again and break the low. Okay, break this fair value gap low, breakaway gap low. I will just remove the first fair value gap. I have already taken a loss. Okay, I have taken a loss over there. So I saw this candle has break this fair value gap, and very next candle it has closed below this fair value gap. This is what is this? This is the breakaway gap from 1 minute chart. I saw this. That is kind of confirmation that market is actually going lower. Now I will expect some kind of precise price action. What is that? What is the precise price action? Consequent encroachment, retracement, then the lower part trade. Where did I get it? Do I get any consequent encroachment, retracement? Anything? Here not perfectly, but you can mark this one as your, I mean the consequent encroachment retracement from the consequent encroachment, and then market failed to go to the low. But I don't care about this one. If I see this type of lower run, I will take any entry from the order block level, or maybe from the very next fair value gap. I mean from here I will take my entry over there. I won't actually, if I don't get chance over there, I will take my entry over there. So this kind of thing, if you take a losing entry from there, because forex it doesn't give you the very perfection or perfect price action or something like this. I don't believe it that it will give you some kind of precise price action. So this is the thing. I think I should go from here because I don't see anything to that market, and I would love to go to the 15-minute fair value gap. Sorry, not 15-minute fair value gap, I mean 15-minute chart. So from 15-minute chart I can see this min threshold actually hold the price and send it back. So I am now in 1-minute chart one more time. What do I see right now? I want to see it will go through this 15-minute fair value gap. It will go through this. It will reject it from the consequent encroachment. Or if I see the rejection from here right now, from here right now, it will be rejected from the consequent encroachment. Then it will break this 15-minute fair value gap. It will trade the lower part. I will take my entry over there. Where is my target? There should be some kind of sell side liquidity over here. I can mark the sell side liquidity over here. So this is my sell side liquidity. You can say this is sell side liquidity, or this is your sell side liquidity. There is some sell side liquidity, or it will depend actually when I will look for my entries. So I will take my entry over there. It has made the sell side liquidity over there as well. It is now actually trading this fair value gap. I believe this fair value gap will hold the price. That is my belief. It will believe, I mean it will hold it or not, I don't know, but I believe this fair value gap will hold the price. Okay? It will hold the price and it will send it back to the lower part. Good morning and good evening, brother. How are you? Why I'm still expecting market will go lower? We have read the price from very beginning, from here. It has been rejected from the constant encroachment before, then it came back again to the lower part. It should go low. This was, what is this level? This is the mean threshold. But if you don't understand what is mean threshold or whatever, just leave it. Try to find some kind of fair value gap from 1-minute chart, or maybe from 15-minute chart, or any kind of level from there. Then try to see that that can hold it or not. Okay, I can see if I mark the mean threshold or whatever, like anything from 15-minute chart, obviously I will get some kind of fair value gap from 1-minute chart. So this is the 1-minute last fair value gap. It has taken all the buy side liquidity over there, hold the price, send it back to the lower part inside the 15-minute fair value gap. It closed below the 15-minute fair value gap. Very next candle went higher. Where did it go? To this fair value gap. I believe it will go lower from there. There is also a fair value gap. I don't want to see market will go there one more time. It should be worked as a breakaway gap. That should be your expectation, that it will keep open like that way. Okay, so it has to go below now. Now when I will expect some kind of what to say, I mean the entries, I would love to see any kind of rejection from the consequent encroachment right now, or market will go below this 15-minute fair value gap. It will go below this 15-minute fair value gap, then it will go back again to the consequent encroachment. It will be rejected from there. Nobody can close above the consequent encroachment. Then it will come back again to the lower part. That will be my entry point. So this is how I read the price. This is how I do things. Okay, let me actually clean all of this thing didn't work. Why this didn't work? Why? My question is, why this market didn't work over there? Can anyone tell me why this setup didn't work? I explained it. Now I need to ask you the question. I have to ask you the question, right? Why this setup didn't work? Tell me. Tell me, brother. Tell me. No, that is one reason, but there should be another reason. I mean, there is another one more reason. Good day from Nigeria. Oh, digital, how are you, brother? You told me to. You told me digital. I got you, brother. I got you, brother. I got you, brother. You told me that paper trading and I mean, the real money is different. So today I'm going to trade with my real money. Okay. So let's see it works or not. Before 9:30 is one reason. I mean, that is not reason. That is rules. Before 9:30, that is rules. That is not reason. I need the reason why it didn't went lower. I explained it, brother, at the beginning when I was in the higher time frame. I explained. Mm-hmm. New opening. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, right, right, camera, right. In 15 minutes chat, I told you that I want to see some kind of candle that should close below this opening gap high. I got this candle. The very next candle, where did it close? Above the opening gap high. So that would be my fake breakout. In the meantime, it has made this relatively equal lows. That is sell side liquidity. Okay, this is sell side liquidity right now. Now I'll go to 1 minute chart. Now these lows are relatively equal lows. That is very clean sell side liquidity. Okay. Now as I took a loss from before 9:30, I would love to take another loss from before 9:30. The reason is I want to show you when you will understand the price, you can take your entry at any time. I mean, you don't need to wait for 9:30, but you can take your entry anytime if you can read the price. That is the thing I would love to show you one more time. That is why I took this entry. If you think you are going to push your button, you will take your loss. Okay, I don't care about my loss. I can easily take so many loss losing entry. Okay, I can do it. But if you do it, I don't know what to say. Okay. I think I can actually by limit something like this. Yeah, I think it will work. This is the reason you are not going to take entries right now. You will take entry when you will understand the price. Then you will have no restriction. Trust me, brother. You will. Now, why did I take this entry? I saw this candle. This is fake breakout. The very next candle it went lower again, and this candle closed above the constant encroachment. But this is kind of confirmation that market is going lower. Why I am thinking like that? Because I believe market can't make three times fake breakout. It can't do that. It should do one time fake breakout. Like I showed you in 15 minutes chat over here. It went lower. The very next candle it went higher. So it shouldn't make this type of fake breakout 2, 3, 4, 5 times. It can't do that. Okay. How much was my loss? Let me actually check. It was something like, just a second, I would love to check my loss. Uh, Okay, so it was near about 390. It was near about 390. So my loss was 390. Okay, I'll be happy. Let's see it works or not. Now it came low of this 15-minute fair value gap but failed to close below this 50-minute fair value gap. That is kind of thing. I mean, you have to worry about this right now. Why? because it should close below this 15-minute fair value gap. If it failed to close below the 15-minute fair value gap, that is kind of sign that market is not going lower. Okay, as our price action is telling us market is going lower, but you can't be sure that market will go lower. I will I will close my trade if I see it went above that. I mean this fair value gap. If I see that, okay, I will close my trade. And please just okay. Is this my internet again? Come on. I used to trial my stop loss, but right now what did you say, Remigius? The candle at 924, 924, 924. This one? No, that is not breakaway gap, brother. Breakaway gap has some specific rules. What is that rules? It has to take the buy side liquidity. It has to shift the market structure. I don't see any market structure shift over there. When I don't have any clean market structure shift, I will not count that as my breakaway gap or something like that. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, just a second. I need to actually close the trade, then I will talk. I need to read the price actually what it would like to do. If I see anything wrong, I will just close my trade. As I have already done a big thing, that I really don't do when I'm in quantor. I mean I saw it over here, it was 310, 310 euro, but the dollar, but I didn't close my entries, so I shouldn't do it. If I see anything wrong, I will just close my trade. If I see market went above this new week opening up high again, I will close my trade. So I closed it over here, okay, over there, just a little bit above the opening up high. It shouldn't break the opening up high. It shouldn't break it. When I saw it went higher, I just closed my closed my trade. This is the rules. You can't hold. Now look at this thing. If you are already in a trade and look at this run, can you hold your trade until then? I don't think so. And please let me actually check how many loss I have, because I told you that I will mitigate my loss. Okay, so I need to check it again how many loss I have yet. Market is going higher. Am I thinking this is kind of market is going higher? No, this is Judah swing. I believe this is Judah swing. this type of swing, when you will see this type of run at 9:30, then you don't need to wait until 10. Until 10 you don't need to wait. If you get the Judas swing, then if you see some kind of uh, lower market structure shift or something like that, please go for that. Okay, you don't need to wait until 10. Now look at this run, how beautiful the run is. What it has done over there, it has made the sell side liquidity, very clean sell side liquidity. Believe me brother, it's going to take this sell side liquidity. I believe it. I believe that it's going to take that sell side liquidity. In the meantime, please let me check how much loss I have. Okay, so I have okay 813, that means near about 190. So I have 190 dollar less than, I mean I have $190 less. I will mitigate that. Let me go to the 50-minute chart. So it has taken the Friday high. Okay, I love that. I really love that. I will look at this candle right now, how it will close. From 1-minute chart, I will look at this candle right now. I want to see that it will close inside this 15-minute fair value gap. I really love to see that. And this is the volume balance. It has been rejected from the consequent encroachment. It has traded the lower part. I don't believe it will go to this volume balance lower part again. I don't believe that. I would love to see it can close inside the 15-minute fair value gap or not. Okay. So till now it is inside the 15-minute fair value gap. I'm just going to remove this 15-minute fair value gap. That is not important anymore, because that is not breakaway gap or anything, and also this thing is not important. The only thing is important right now is this 15-minute fair value gap and the high of the Friday, that is also going to remove. Let's see what price do. I believe this is the Judas swing. Why it is Judas swing? I can see this is very clean sell side liquidity right now. Price didn't take the sell side liquidity. If I saw it has taken the sell side liquidity, then I would think okay, this market is going higher. But as it didn't take the sell side liquidity, instead of that, oh man, instead of that, it has made the sell side liquidity that made me more confident that market is going lower and it will take the sell side liquidity. Look at this lows, how clean this lows is. Sorry, not, they're also very clean sell side liquidity. Okay, so this is now your sell side liquidity. Wait for it. This is the last fair value that should hold the price. If it failed to hold the price, then I will look for the upper level. But till now, I will look, I mean, I will hope that this fair value gap will hold the price and market will go lower. From which time frame? 1 minute time frame. Let me go to the, and let me remove the mean threshold as well. It's very difficult, right? I mean, if I take entries, I get like little bit distracted. I mean, I forget what I should tell. I can't concentrate any other things when I take my entry. I can't do it. That is the reason I stopped to upload my live end. Possible to take, I mean, to trade with the real money. It is not different with the paper money. Okay, let me actually show you something. What I have done over here, I tried to put my stop loss. I failed to put my stop loss, so I actually made, I mean, the what to say, the reverse entries or something like that. That is why I took 2 3 entries and I took so many losses over there. But over here I took my entry over there, I mean, and closed my entry over there, very small run, and I have already mitigated my loss near about 180 $180. So I have almost 19 I mean I think $190 left. I will mitigate it, don't worry brother. This is the last fair value gap. Look at this fair value gap. This is the last fair value gap. Now I'm just going to close this fair value gap. Now this is the final fair value gap. If it can hold, market will go low. If it failed, market will go high. Very simple, brother. I'm going to 1 minute chart. I need to see the market from 1 minute chart. What the? Still, I believe this is Judas swing. I mean, let me go over there. Very small run. I don't need to mark the opening gap. It's because the opening gap is very small. So I am not interested to mark my opening gap today. And instead of that, I will keep the new day, I mean new week opening gap. Okay. I believe this is Judas swing. Market went higher. Everybody is watching. Market is going higher. So everyone is taking buy. Everyone is buying market right now. Look at these lows. They are very clean. Trust me, brother. I'm telling you again, again, and again. This is very clean. It is okay. Wait for the sell setup. Just wait for the sell setup. If you wait, you will get perfect price action. This sell side liquidity is very clean. This is the last fair value gap. If it can hold the price, market will go lower. Look at this sell side liquidity. When it has made this sell side liquidity just before 9:30, and 9:30 candle failed to take that sell side liquidity. It failed to take it. What does it mean? It means it has made this sell side liquidity. Everyone is thinking right now market is going higher. So everyone is buying, 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 buying. They're just buying. It is already above the Friday high. Look at it over here from daily chart. It's already Friday high. So this is Friday candle. It is already above the Friday. What market should do? Market should go lower. It should go lower. How it works, okay? Every time I just show you the thing from paper money and you guys are getting angry on me. Oh man, it doesn't work in real money. I'm going to show you it works in real money as well. Now anybody, if anybody didn't give me the like, please give me the like. I really I really would like to see your likes. If you don't give me likes, gonna I'm gonna be angry, okay? Can you hear me? I mean the internet is okay. I mean, can you hear me? Can you hear me, guys? What I get? Consequent encroachment retracement. This is the consequent encroachment retracement. Is it same? Okay, okay, okay. So you can hear me. I'm not interested. Okay. Oh man, it doesn't work, man. It doesn't work. Okay, Remy. Thank you, brother. Thank you for confirming that you can hear me. Like, because I saw there's some network issues or something. Please don't forget to give me a like. I need some kind of like from you. I love to see your likes. Please give me likes. Please, please, please. It's a request. any chance to take an entry. I didn't get any chance, but it's okay. This volume balance low, it is little bit distracting, because I really don't want to see market will be rejected from this low. I really don't want to see. I want to see market will be rejected from the 15-minute low. If it failed to reject from 15-minute low, I won't be disappointed. I won't be frustrated. I will look for another setup. Okay, so it is what it is. If market doesn't give you the perfect entry, just let it go. My chart is lagging behind yours. What could be the issue? I don't know, brother. My chart is also, my chart is working here, perfectly. That's why I asked you that you guys can hear me or not. If I saw that you didn't hear me, then maybe I have some internet issue already. All of you know. So sometimes I need to ask that you can hear me or not. That is the reason. Okay. Hi. SPPD, low resistance liquidity run. SPP. What does it mean, Neuroy? SPPD. SPPD. PPPD. I don't know, brother. What does it mean? See, it is rejecting from the volume balance low. I really don't want to laugh to see that. Okay, I want to see it will at least touch to the lower part of this 15-minute fair value gap. What is this 15-minute fair value gap? This is the breakaway gap. This is the breakaway gap. Okay, I would love to see that market will be rejected from the lower part, not the higher part. From this volume balance. If it reject from there, I will do nothing, nothing at all. Hmm. And just made the Judas run now. Minutes after you made its run. Okay. I don't know, brother. I think there are some issues or something. I don't know, brother. It is kind of a tough decision to take. If this candle shift the market structure, okay, if this is a very uh, big displacement and there is a fair value gap, if it can make like that way, then there is a very tough decision. It's kind of 50-50. Either market has 90% possibilities that it will trade that fair value gap, then it will go lower. Sometimes it go to the lower part and then trade to the low. So this is the tough time to take the decision. If it doesn't make any fair value gap over there, I'll be happy to see that. Okay, so it didn't yet. I'll be happy to see that. Low resistance liquidity run. Let me check actually. Is low resistance liquidity run or not? No, it's high resistance liquidity run, brother. It will be high resistance liquidity run. If I see this candle will go higher, then that will be the low resistance liquidity run. If it went lower, in the meantime, Nasdaq is also going lower. That is high resistance liquidity run. Both of them will go to the same direction. The dollar index and the Nasdaq, they are going to the same direction. That will be your high resistance liquidity run. Okay, I think I missed the entry. I think so far I have missed the entry. I didn't really wanted to take my entry at the lower part of the volume balance. I wanted to see it will tap to the lower part of the breakaway gap. Still I have chance. I will wait. Okay, now as it has actually traded here this far, I will wait little more. If it can go above that high, take the buy side liquidity or not, I will look for that. If it can go over there, then I will take my decision. Am I afraid? Oh man, I'm very afraid. uh it is kind of fun, brother. To be honest, it's kind of fun. I trust my process. Do you trust? If you trust, take your decision. If you don't trust, just just back test it, read the price more and more. Now I missed my entry over there. Am I hurried to take my entry over there? No, I'm not hurried. I'm not hurry at all. If I miss this entry, I don't care. Though I know this is very clean sell side liquidity, very clean sell side liquidity. Market is going to take that sell side liquidity. Everything I know, but I'm not going to take my entry over there. If it doesn't give me the chance to take my entry, I'm not going to take my entry. That is psychology. That is the psychology, brother. I should have mitigated my loss over there, but at 310, I didn't close my entries. I didn't do it because I actually love to put my target profit and the stop loss for 1 hour. Here, this is the first time in trading view. I will check that out, how to actually manage the thing. Then I will take my decision. I mean, I will do the things, okay? But don't think I was expecting market will take the sell liquidity or something like that. No, I wasn't thinking like that way. I was thinking just one. I was just approximately, I thought 310. So later I thought okay, it could be 315 to 320. So I was waiting to go at least 315 profit, then I would close my trade, but it didn't give me the chance. It is going to enter into the macro. I mean, after 2 minutes it's macro as well, so let me actually check both of them. Did you guys forget to give me the like? I can see there are more than 40 people, but I got only 36 likes. Please, please, brother, please give me some likes. If you don't like, then you can give me the dislike as well. Why I'm not thinking that market will go higher? I told you, this is a very clean run. After 2 off day, when market is going higher, what do you think? Simply, what do you think? Market went so lower. Okay, no problem. Market is actually going higher. Market is going higher. Let's take buy. Let's take buy. Let's take buy. Everyone took it, taken buy. Where price went to the breakaway gap. It hold the price, send it back. Now, if I get any chance to take entries over there, I will take it. As it is inside the macro, so I will see little more. I mean, if it touch to the lower part, I won't take my decision. I will wait for the perfect setup, as because it is inside the macro right now. That is the only reason. I am not going to gamble. After 1 minute it will be inside the macro. After 1 minute, and you can see this is the buy side liquidity. Until now this is the buy side liquidity. This is your buy side liquidity. This is your sell side liquidity. Okay, let's see how it works. Now we are inside the macro. When price came to the macro, the first thing it has done, it has taken the buy side liquidity. So buy side liquidity has been taken already. When price came to the macro, it has taken the buy side liquidity. It has taken the buy side liquidity from there as well. It has taken the buy side liquidity from there as well. Okay, and I believe it has traded the order block. Why I'm not going to take this entry? Because it is inside the macro. I would love to mark the mean threshold. I will see how it works over there. So it is actually rejecting the consequent encroachment, then I can actually remove my macro. It can go little bit higher. If it went little bit higher, I won't be surprised because I will get my SMT with here as well. This is I mean the mini S&P. This is Nasdaq. Okay, the lower chart is mini S&P, the higher chart is Nasdaq. If it can go above there, then I will get some kind of SMT over there. I really don't want to see anybody close above the consequent encroachment. I really don't want to see that. And if it can reject from the consequent encroachment one more time, okay, if it can do that, come back again lower of this breakaway gap, I'm very much interested to take my sell when it will touch the lower part again. Look over here, it didn't take the high. Even S&P didn't take the high yet, but it has taken that high. That is my buy side liquidity taken till now. I'm not seeing this is market structure shift. I'm seeing this is liquidity taken. Okay, why? All of you know, when it is inside the macro, it went above and it has taken the buy side liquidity. Okay, so it actually didn't give me the market is, I mean the SMT. It is going higher. Okay, let's see if the breakaway gap can hold the price on not now. If it failed, I'm not interested to do anything. Look, I have a loss, right? Till now I have a loss, but I'm not hurry to mitigate my loss. I need perfect price action, brother. Without perfect price action, I can't take entries. Price is going higher. You can see from here price went higher, retracement went higher. Still now I am not interested to take my, I mean buy. Still now I am not interested. Why? The reason is price didn't tell me that market will go high. It didn't tell me that. If it would tell me it, if it could take the sell side liquidity, then I saw this run, I will be interested to take buy. Right now I'm not interested to take buy. It has taken the buy side liquidity in my opinion. Let's see if it can go back again into the breakaway gap or not. 15 I mean 15,964, 15,964. What is that, brother? 15,964. What is over there? I don't know what is over there, brother. I don't need the even S&P chart anymore because I was expecting some kind of SMT, but I didn't get the SMT. So okay, this kind of confirmation that market is going higher. This candle close above the breakaway gap. Very next candle close above the breakaway gap. The very next candle came inside this breakaway gap. Now, if anybody, if I see anybody didn't close below this consequent encroachment and it went higher again, I'm going to take buy. I don't care about anything. I'm going to take buy. If I see anybody didn't close below this consequent encroachment, the rejection, market will go higher, then come back again to the upper level of this breakaway gap. I'm going to take my buy. Where is my target? Can I see it? Just let me go to the 5-minute chart. Hope I will get it from there. Where will be my target? This consequent encroachment will be my target. Okay, look over here. Till now bodies didn't close below the consequent encroachment. Now if you think about macro, I need some kind of market structure shift to the lower part. Till now it didn't take any kind of sell side liquidity. No sell side liquidity has taken, but buy side liquidity has taken. So if you think about macro, we need some kind of lower market structure shift. If it didn't give me lower market structure shift, I have no entries for macro. But with your, I mean the high time frame analysis, you can check I mean you can check the entry over there. What I need now, I need some kind of curve. 3 candle, 1 2 3, 3 candle. I'm interested to take by then. and I know the level is over here, so I'm going to remove this one. The level is over there. I need a curve, just a curve. Now this candle has to close above the breakaway gap, then the very next candle has to come back again to the breakaway gap. Now this low is valid for shifting market structure. This law is valid for shifting market structure. Why this law is valid for shifting market structure? Look at this fair value gap. Look, this week has traded this fair value gap. So this law is valid for shifting market structure. If I see any kind of displacement to the lower part, very long displacement, I'm interested to take sell. If I don't see that, I'm not going to take sell. If this candle can, okay. Please nobody push your button. Please, that is a request, okay? Because I'm going to take a loss. Please, 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 that is a request to all of you. Please don't take any kind of don't press your button. If I see it has shifted this market structure, I will reverse. I'm not going to read your comment. Just give me some time. and to see that this candle will close above this constant encroachment. I need to see one candle will close above this constant encroachment. This is the new day opening. I mean the this volume balance constant encroachment. Okay, I want to see it will close above this constant encroachment. If I see it failed to constant encroach close above this constant encroachment, I'm not interested to this. Oh man, it. That is why I don't like to talk when I actually trade, because I missed it. It. Okay, I love it. I really love it. I love it to see a close above the constant. Now my loss is 180 so far I remember. So I think until here it will be mitigated. I mean, it should it should hold the price. In my opinion, it should hold. But if it fails, if it can come again one more time to my, I mean entry point, I will close my entries. I don't care whatever, I don't care. Okay, if it come back again over here, I will close my trade. Okay, I think ইন্টারনেট চলে গেছে আম্মা, পুরো কার ঘোড়ার ডিমে জানে। Okay, it's done. I'm just going to show you the TV. তুমি খেয়ে ফেলো আম্মা। হুম 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 তুমি খেয়ে ফেলো আম্মা, তুমি খেয়ে ফেলো, নাটক করে না, আমি কিন্তু তাহলে ই করবো না। খেয়ে ফেলো আম্মা, খেয়ে ফেলো, খেয়ে ফেলো, খেয়ে ফেলো, খেয়ে ফেলো, খেয়ে ফেলো আম্মা, খেয়ে ফেলো, আমি অনলাইনে আম্মা, খেয়ে ফেলো, খেয়ে ফেলো আম্মা, আমি স্টিম করছি, প্লিজ খেয়ে ফেলো আম্মা। হুম, এরকমই। জাস্ট এ সেকেন্ড, ওকে। হুম হুম আসছে। Just a second, guys. Just a second. I know you are getting bored. Just a second. I'm just explaining everything. Don't worry. Okay, 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 okay. Oh, did I get any like? I can say still 47 people. Still, I have only 43. Please give me at least 50 like, guys. Please, 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 please give me at least 50 like, brother. Please. I'll give. Yeah. It's consolidating over there, and when I will see some kind of clean market structure shift to the lower part, I'll go for that. For a kind information, I have just uploaded this one. If you can see it or not, this is the account. Okay, I mean the I mean, so on a TST there is the number. I actually hide the number over there, and I have $24 profit. I had loss of near about something, right? I don't remember, near about $310 loss or something like this. So I have now $24 profit. I have mitigate my loss. Now tell me, I took a loss here. Where was that? I took my loss here. Wasn't it very clear? Wasn't it that, I mean, very precise price action over there? Everything was perfect over there. I took my loss. Where, what time was it? Look over here. 840 something like this. Okay, 840 something like this. So I took my loss over there. Now, why I took that entry? I took that entry for two reasons. First reason is to show you that before 9th, I mean, sorry, before 9:30, if you take any entries, that is not high probability. I don't care how beautiful the setup is, but that is not perfect entry. So I took the loss over there. Okay. Now later I took another entry over there that was actually reading by price. I don't want to talk about these entries because I think I talk about this one whatever, but it is little bit difficult. I mean, I didn't talk about this so many things about this, so I don't want to talk about this one. Now when price was going higher, is going higher, I wasn't worried about this one. Why? Because I need something that works perfectly. When I saw market went above, it came back again to the low consequent, I mean the consequent encroachment, it has been rejected from there. First candle, second candle, where did it close? Above this fair value gap high. Third candle, when it came to the upper level, I took my entry. Now you can say, brother, you take your entry over there and it came here. It is very small profit, right? And near about 12 profit, $12 something like this. No, I just mitigate my loss. I had, I mean, I thought I had $180 loss or something like this. So I just mitigate my loss. I didn't hold my trade. If my loss was above over there, I believe market would go over there. That things I believe. Now if it didn't go over there, I don't care. I follow the rules. I follow my rules, so I took my entry over there. Now if it failed to go over there, that is not my fault, that is market's fault. But trust me, brother, I'm not right. I'm always right. I'm not wrong. I'm always right. Let it go. I believe it will go over there. That is my belief. Why I closed over there? And just see this. This is not paper money. This is not paper money. I took my loss in front of all of you, right? That was my loss. I mitigate my loss, and this is not paper money, and this is not some kind of money. This is real money. I mean, though this is the combined, I mean the starting. So you see, it's 50,000 something. So that is the real money in my opinion, not paper money. That means if I lose, then I will lose real money, not paper money. Why I have closed my entries over there where I saw this perfect price action? Or when price was going lower, am I was I very much, I mean, what to say, I was thinking, oh man, I'm market is going to go lower. No, I'm not thinking like that way. Until this thing has been shifted, I'm expecting market will go higher. Until it has been shifted, I will expect market will go higher. When price came here, I saw this, I was happy, but then I saw this is fake breakout. That's why I told you I need another candle that should close above the consequent encroachment. What is this consequent encroachment? This volume balance consequent encroachment. Okay. So when I saw this, I got the perfect, the perfection that market is going higher, and I closed my trade over there because my loss was until here. That's why I closed it. Otherwise, I didn't close it. I would hold my interest. If it failed, if it went lower, shift the market structure. That is much more easier for me to take my entry over there, hold until here. This is clean sell side liquidity. I would hold my trade until here, guys, until here, because this is perfect sell side liquidity. I don't have any sell side buy side liquidity over there. I have nothing. This consequent encroachment, the weak consequent encroachment I show you, I don't target them. I just mark them as my what to say. Mm, that price can trade over there, then it can retrace from there. I expect price like that. That is not my target. How do I target? All of you know that how do I target? I target this. This is very clean sell side liquidity. In my opinion, I believe market will take this sell side liquidity in the morning session. Maybe no. Maybe at the evening session, it can take the sell side liquidity at the evening session. And now I believe it will go higher, at least this level. At least this level. This volume balance high. But daily volume balance. Let me show it to you. So this is the volume imbalance. I hope market will go higher and it will trade at least to this volume balance. That is I'm thinking right now, but I will see how price work over there. Now this is the shift in market structure. Look how beautifully I will show you the thing. I got my shift market structure. See, is this setup was perfect or this setup is perfect? Now let me tell you. Tell me just this thing. Which one is perfect? In your opinion, which one is perfect? This this thing is perfect or that one was perfect? If you wait for this thing, all of you know already the sell side liquidity is over there. Now it is going lower. It has taken the buy side liquidity. It has shifted the market structure. This is your market structure shift. This is your market structure shift. Okay, there is two fair value gap. This is your not two fair value gap. This is your first fair value gap. If it can make two fair value gap, then that will be perfect. If it fail to make two fair value gap, then this is your entry point. Till now I am in trade of it. Don't think this is paper money. Okay, I'll have to put it like that way. Okay, why I took this entry? Because I was waiting for this. I was waiting for this entry. Then why did I take that entry? I took that entry, show you that that works as well. That was the breakaway gap entry. That one was the breakaway gap entry. So that works as well. You can take some kind of, I mean, you see, just 10 handle, 10 handle gave me $180. $180 it gave me for only 10 handle. Why you are worrying about your win and loss? If I take a loss, I don't care. I will mitigate my loss. But if you wait for this type of perfect setups, look this sell side liquidity. I know this is the the Judas swing. Now I am wrong over here. Price failed to go over there. Instead of that, it has been rejected from the constant encroachment of the daily volume balance. I am wrong over there, but I'm happy. I'm happy to be wrong because I was expecting market will come here and it will take this sell side liquidity. That is my expectation. This is my Judas swing. In my opinion, this is my Judas swing. I will be right over here. I don't know when I will close my trade. If I see it went above this fair value gap, I will close my trade. I'm not going to hold my trade to believe that market is going to take that sell side. But no, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. If you wait for the perfection, you will get it. If you are hurry, you will be chopped up. Why I closed it over there? Because I had the the what to say, the loss mitigation. What I told you, if I see market came back again to the break even, I will close my trade. I told you that, right? I was holding my cursor over there. So if I saw market came to my the entry point, I would close my entries over there, just over there. I wouldn't take my loss because my higher time frame analysis is telling me market is going lower and take this sell side liquidity. This is kind of this. I mean the expectation market should go to the upper level. There is nothing, the market can go over there. Same thing over here, when it I will see it will go lower, that is kind of perfection. I would love to see that. In that case I will say I'm always right. But here I love to see market will go over there. That is my expectation. If it works, I will go for that. If it doesn't work, I'll be happy. Don't worry. Ah man, perfect setup for the silver blade run. Okay, let's see it works or not. Now, am I worried about this entry? Oh man, it will work or not? No, I'm not worried. I took an entry to show you the losing entry, to show you that it it is just a loss, nothing else. I can mitigate my loss. It's very simple to mitigate your loss. Okay, so you guys told me that how to put the, I mean, this thing right. That is sell, so I should put it buy, right? Okay. So if market can go over there, I'll be stopped out, right? Now, if this is sell, then I should buy. That is the thing. Now, guys, do you understand my logic? Do you understand or not? Let me know that. And trust me, this is not paper money. I can't show you the account number, but I have already uploaded my screenshot to my Twitter. You have already seen the Twitter upload. So it's not paper money, okay? So don't think this is paper money. It is the same thing. Why you are worrying about paper money and the real money? It is kind of pressure to me to show you the real money, because I really can't talk when I take any entries. I can't be distracted. It is very, I mean, very tough for me to talk and manage the trade. It is really so tough for me. That's why I actually take my entries and I video them, then I uploaded them to my Twitter. Okay, that is the only reason. Don't think I can't take entries in front of you guys. I don't do it because that distract me a lot. I get distracted. Okay, that is the only reason I, what to say. That is the reason. Okay, but to be honest, brother, this is the same thing. If you know how to read the price, trading is nothing. Now it's up to you. You have to believe the process. You have to believe the, I mean, the system, how it works. You have to believe it. If you believe it, you will be profitable. If you don't believe it, you won't be profitable. When price was going higher, am I thinking that market is going higher and it will go above here somewhere? No, I was not thinking like that way. It is going higher for certain level. Okay, it where I thought it this breakaway gap will hold the price. It failed to hold the price. Okay, no problem. Where did it go? The consequent encroachment of the daily volume imbalance. That is also the last fair value gap. Remember, this is also the last fair value gap. This consequent encroachment has been rejected. Now, why price is doing this? Look where price is right now, at the lower part of the daily volume balance. When you will see market will break this lower part, I mean the low of this daily volume balance, you will see some kind of big run, very big run. You will see that. Then until then you will see this type of Mickey Mouse move. Why this type of Mickey Mouse move? Because still it is trying to pull the retail trader to think that market will go higher. They are thinking this is kind of sell, I mean the buy side, I mean the support level, so market will go higher. Okay, they are thinking like that way. Amma, Amma, have also, have also. Yes, no worries. First, I don't think you need to talk before. First. Thank you, brother. No, I have already taken this. I mean, I already read the price, so I know where it is going. It's not. I mean, I don't need to worry about this thing anymore. And this is my weakness, guys. To be honest, this is my weakness. I tried my stop loss too fast. So my belief is, if it failed to hold the price one more time, I mean, if price can go above that new day, new, I mean the, sorry, not new day, it is the daily volume balance low, then there is low probability market is going to take this low. Okay, that is kind of how to say, but there is also a water block, so that is the thing. I want to see body will be below this low. That is my expectation. Till now I tried my stop loss with the logic till now. Okay, but I am not going to hold it. I know that that is my weakness. I can't force my, I mean, I know nothing about price action. That is the thing. That is the real thing. And that is why I always tell you that please don't push your button depending on my analysis. Look at this profit. How much is it? 305, 3010, 302, 325. If you just think like this is my account, okay? I have already taken this account, but if I would take this account, already I'm the owner of 365, 430, okay? 430 real dollar. I am already the owner of this dollar. I took a loss, I mitigate my loss, then I am going to take some profit. I will put my stop loss over here now, over there. So what is six something 680? Okay, that is done. Over here, did I hold my? I mean, hold my entries until here? Did I hold it? Okay, let me actually close it. Is a matter. That's all. Did I hold my entries until here? Tell me. This is real money, right? Now you guys get the point. This is real money. This is not paper money or something. But did I hold my trade until here? I know it is going to take this low because this is very clean sell side liquidity. Did I hold it? No. So whatever I am telling you, I am doing it. I am doing it. You have to believe it. When price was going higher, what did I tell you? This is Judas swing, clear Judas swing. Okay, market is going higher. Okay, market is going higher. Okay, happy, happy, happy. I mitigate my loss. Now, if I didn't take a loss over there, what do you think? I was going to take my entries over there. I was going to take my buy over there. No, I know this is my sell side liquidity. I always take my entries depending on the buy side liquidity. I don't see any buy side liquidity over there. I don't see. There is only the constant enforcement of that fair value gap. Did I ever tell you to target the constant encroachment or fair value gap? Ever did I tell you? If I tell you, just write it down, brother, because I'm not here. I'm afraid of anything. So I will appreciate your truthness. Okay, what did I tell you? Always look for sell side liquidity like this or the buy side liquidity, very clean buy side liquidity. If you see that, take your entry. If you don't see that, don't take your entry. Why did I took this? I was hoping market will go over there. I saw if I market can come here, that will be mitigated. So I use the breakaway gap theory, consequent encroachment rejection, come back again to the upper level. This little run that gave me my, what to say, I mean the mitigation of the loss. I took this entry. Now, will you take this entry? Obviously, you will take this entry. When I told you, that take this entry without any buy side liquidity, I told you this entry won't be valid if you don't see any buy side liquidity over there. This is not valid entry. Now let me actually move this one. Okay, let me actually remove that. Oh man, it failed to the I mean retrace from the constant encroachment. But if it could, I mean if you see this one has been rejected from there, price came lower. This candle didn't close inside the breakaway gap. The very next candle you can hold. I mean target here. You can target here this fair value gap, or you can target this fair value gap. You can target anything like that way, but you have to have some kind of liquidity that is very clean. If you don't have that, any entry is not valid. I don't care about 22 YT model. I don't care about fair value gap entry. I don't care about breaker entry. I don't care about anything, brother. If there is no liquidity, no entry. Simple. No, Remis, yes, I wasn't gambling. uh the thing is, over here, look at this consequent encroachment. It came very near to the consequent encroachment. It came to the, I mean, the consequent encroachment of the breakaway gap. It went above. I know market will go higher, but before going there, there are some kind of logic. Let me show it. It is going to make a bull plug. I believe it was going to make a bull plug over there. I believed it. My internet, I'm sorry. Okay, just think until here. Just this thing. Don't actually connect any other thing. Just think like this way. When I saw the big run like this is a very big run. Little retracement, it went higher, and now it was going to make a bull plug over there. This is a bull plug. Now every trader will think market will go little lower, then it will go higher. Every trader will think like that way. I just took the profit from the retail trader. That's the thing, brother. So I did this thing before as well. I mean, with my paper money, I did this thing. Using the bull plug, I took my profit. Okay. The thing is, Stephen, I really would love to tell that you will wait for the perfection. This candle has to trade the consequent encroachment. This has to trade. You will wait for this perfection. If you can wait for the perfection, maybe you missed this entry. Okay, just think like that way. You missed this entry as because it didn't trade the consequent encroachment. That's why you missed this entry. Don't care. You shouldn't be care. You know market is coming here. Wait for another setup over here. Here, did I take another entry over there? I shouldn't do it, but if I see any kind of setup over here again, I can take my entries over there because I have the sell side liquidity over there. That is very clean sell side liquidity. And what market has done over here? Look at this. What market has done? Another sell side liquidity. This is another clean sell side liquidity. What market has done? It has taken, I mean, it has made another sell side liquidity over there. So you have very clean sell side liquidity. So if you see any kind of setup over there again, just go for that. But if you wait for the perfection, okay, so this candle didn't actually trade. They didn't rejected from the consequent encroachment. it it didn't reach to the consequent encroachment. So this is not perfect. This is not perfection. Wait for the perfect entry. I believe it has traded this order block. I believe it. So it actually didn't trade the consequent encroachment. So this is not perfect entry. Don't go for it. Wait for the perfect entry. When you will see the rejection from the consequent encroachment, price go to the lower part again, just take that entry. You have, no one is telling you, brother, you have to take this entry, you have to take this entry because market has made the sell side liquidity. It will never make the sell side liquidity again, so you have to take that entry. No, brother, nobody is telling you like that way. You are telling yourself that I have to take this entry because market will never make another sell side liquidity or another buy side liquidity. If you wait for the perfect entry, trust me, brother, you will avoid so many losing trade. Now, I'm not telling that I know everything, but I'm telling you whatever I know, most of you actually doesn't know. Which you think that is gambling. I have so many logic behind that entries. Behind that entries, I have so many I mean the logic. I can I can trade here as well. I can trade over here, but if I talk about that, you will be confused. Believe me, brother, you will be confused. The thing is, I always try to give you something that works again and again. Did my life? Am I live? Or, I mean, just life has come. তুমি কি করছো মা? মনে হয় যে বন্ধ করে দিছিলাম। যাও। Guys, am I live or not? Let me know, okay? Because I think I am not live anymore. Just let me know that am I live or not. No, no, Remigius, it's okay, brother. You have to tell everything, right? Obviously, this is gambling. If you don't understand the theme, this is gambling. That is why I don't actually explain this type of entries. I don't explain them, okay? I explain the most obvious thing. This is the most obvious thing. It has made the sell side liquidity to went higher. This is the Judas swing. Market went higher. Where did it go? To the consequent encroachment. Price rejected from the consequent encroachment of the breakaway gap. It came back again to the lower part. Then it is going lower. That is most obvious thing. Okay, no. If it doesn't work like that way, it has taken the buy side liquidity. This is your market, very clean market structure shift. This is your fair value gap. Take your fair value gap entry, target somewhere here, maybe this low or this low. You say I took only one contract and it was near about 600. I think so. It was like near about $600. You don't need $600. You just close your trade below this low, just below this low. You just close it over there. That's enough. You don't need to. You don't need to hold your trade until here to be profitable. If you do that, that means you are greedy. You are I mean, not greedy. I'm sorry, brother. Something like this, okay? But that is the reason, okay? Now, I really don't talk. If I continue to trade my life over here, I mean the prop firm, this prop firm or something. If I do that over here, I have to skip so many things. Like over here, this entry, these things I have to wait. I mean avoid. Now I took a loss, then I took three entries. Any of them were losing? Any of them were losing? No. No, look over here. It came here, I closed it over there. Though I should closed it over there, but I failed to close it over there. I closed it over there. Okay, no problem. I took my entry over there. I closed it over there. Now my I mean the loss limit is over there, but if loss limit was more than that, then I would be the break even. Okay, okay, I would stop out to my break even. I wouldn't take my loss over there. I would break out. I would be stopped out to my break even. Now look over here. I took my entry over there. I hold my in money. The trade until here. Why I hold this much time? Why I didn't hold here? Why I didn't? Oh, not there. Not here. But I hold it here because this is my price action. This is the entry I was waiting for. Every entry has a reason. You need more time. You need more time to understand. I mean, I don't know why it's look like that way. You know worries about us. Keep trading the plan like. Okay, brother. Thank you. I'm just not here to play around. Don't take his energy. No, no, no. Jenny, he's not actually. Remigius is something different. He knows everything. He's just joking. Okay, don't take it seriously. He's joking. I know. Remigius, Hans, and then some other guys. Jenny, you are very new, so you actually don't know them. George Cameron. Then there are some other people. Let me actually remember the name. New Roy. Then Phoenix, Ovinobo, uh, what was his name? Ronald. So far I remember Ronald. Yeah, Ronald. So these guys are very. Then Rahul. Some other guys also. I'm sorry if I miss anyone's name. Please don't mind. But they're from very beginning, so they're actually joking. I'm not serious and they are also not serious. Okay, so Jenny, don't take anything serious over here. If I take anything serious, then I will, you will understand that I took it seriously. So they are just joking. So that is the thing, and still now I believe that market will go lower and it will take the sell side liquidity. Now uh, what is your question? Now you have to ask me the question. This is the time to ask me the question. আচ্ছা না আজকে নেটের কি হয়েছে মা? Okay guys, you don't have any question? That is pathetic. You should have some question. So overall my total profit is near about $744, something like this. Now this is, trust me brother, this is not paper money. You see, this is real money, not paper money. Okay, so the target is near about 3000 something like this. Okay? If I wouldn't take the 300 loss, then that would be near about, I mean today's profit would be near about $1000 something like this. So I would take 3 days to pass these things. I told you that I really would like to quit the prop firm, but because of you guys, you have some confusion. That is why I started this one as well, and I added this prop firm, I mean this top step over here, so that you can see, you can take so many entries over there. Now what is it doing over here? This is the accumulation phase, I mean the manipulation, distribution, reaccumulation, I mean market shifted. This is the first accumulation phase. Market will take the buy side liquidity, give you the very nice market structure shift. It will go and take the first accumulation phase. Market maker sell model. This is your market maker sell model. I believe it. Now it will work like that way. I don't know, brother. I really don't know, but I believe market is going to take that sell side liquidity. That is my belief. Why I'm thinking like that way? What is today? Today is the trading execution. Okay, today is Friday. It should close below the high of the Friday. That is narrative. Don't forget your narrative. That is your narrative. That is why I am so much confident that market will go low. Okay, just let me go to back. Sorry. That is the reason I am so confident that market is going lower, because of my narrative. It will work perfectly. No, I don't know, brother. But you can actually expect, you should expect something from the market. Is this entry is valid? Do you, what do you think? This is clean entry or not? I believe this is very clean entry, and everybody can notice this entry. Look over here. This is a very clean entry. Buy side liquidity has taken. If you mark this on here, you can do it over there. If you mark it over here, you can mark them over there, that it has taken buy side liquidity. Market structure shift, fair value gap. Market came to the fair value gap. It went lower to this fair value gap. I mean here. Now it is consolidating over there. This is the accumulation phase, and then maybe it will take some kind of buy side liquidity. It will give you some kind of market structure shift. It will go lower and it will take the sell side liquidity. Before taking the sell side liquidity, this is the last fair value gap from 1 minute chart. Be careful about that fair value gap, because it can retrace from there so far, I mean so high it can go, then it can go lower. It can do that as well. I believe that market can't go above that low, I mean the lower part of the new daily volume balance. I believe that it won't go over there from 15-minute chart, not from 1 minute chart, from 15-minute chart right now, because I'm reading the price. This is the logic. Look over here, this candle has closed below this low. Now if it can go back again inside this volume balance, that means this is fake breakout. I don't want to see this is a fake breakout. Now if it is a fake breakout, okay, I'm happy. I already got my setup over there. Do I need another setup? No, I don't need another setup. Did I hold my end? I mean, I took my entry over there, and did I hold it until here? Here, no, I didn't do it. I took my profit at the most obvious level where it should go. I took it just most obvious level. Here was my target profit. Okay, so you see, market came here, it went above again, and it is just doing something, some kind of whatever I told you. Just forget it. So that is the thing. Okay. Okay, now time to read your question. Just watching and waiting for a setup. Okay, thank you. 430 candle would serve as a MSS to the upside. What did you say? 430. I think you are talking about this candle. No, I don't believe it will act as a market structure shift. Look over here. Did it take any sales and liquidity? Market came here, it came here. Now did it take any sell side liquidity? No, nothing. It went higher. I believe this is my liquidity taken. Why I am thinking like that way? Look at your narrative, look at your sell side liquidity, look at your price action. Everything is telling you market is going lower. Every upper run is the suspect that market will go low. Every upper run, that is the suspect that market will go low. Okay. Okay, I think Remigius, yeah, brother, it's top step, Remigius. George, I think you got your answer, brother. If you don't get it again, then just ask again, okay? Uh, Remigius, yeah, that's the top step. I just took it, and last stream I show you that there was some problem actually. So they have changed, I mean, my account, and they reset my account. Then I'm able to add that thing in TradingView. I really hate prop firm right now. I need my own, I mean, the self funded account. I need that. Okay, thank you, no problem. Price is reaching from the CE of the 50-minute fair value gap. Please check. Price is reaching from the CE of 50-minute fair value gap. What are you talking about? This is the 50-minute fair value gap, I mean the breakaway gap, but it didn't reach to the 50-minute, I mean the consequent encroachment. It didn't reach over there. It failed to go over there. You see, there is a very small, how many ticks? 7 5. So near about 2 ticks below the consequent encroachment. I don't like these things. I need perfection. I need perfect consequent encroachment retracement. Okay, so it failed to retrace from the consequent encroachment perfectly. So if it could trade over there, market came, this is the first time market came to the lower part of the 50-minute fair value gap. So I would take my entries over there, as I have very clean sales and liquidity over here. So actually there should be your entry. Where will be your stop loss? Above that high? It is not possible. Above that high, I mean above this high. Okay, the highest high. Why the above that high? Because above this high it can easily go over there, as it failed to, I mean it is the, I mean the first high. Okay, so market can go above that to take the liquidity. Where will be your target? That should be your target. So it's kind of 1 is to 1.6, something like this. Yeah, 1 is to 1.6, something like this. Now am I worried about the stop loss? No, I'm not worried about this stop loss, because if I took a loss over there, I can mitigate my loss. You have to think like that way, man. I will put my stop loss as at a place where there should be a loss. Then most of the time you will see it, you are not stopped out. But sometimes if you are stopped out, you know how to mitigate your loss. Why you are worrying about your stop loss? I am not worrying about my stop, I mean the stop loss or my losing entries. You have to think like that way. Hi brother, first time on stream. Welcome brother Adol Lopez. Adolfo, look, oh man, my English is kind of bullshit. I'm sorry, brother. I mean, Lopez, welcome to my streaming, brother. Hope you will enjoy this. And guys, please give me some likes because I can see there is 47 likes. If you give 3 more likes, I'll be the happiest person in this world because I will get at least 50 like. So please don't forget to give me the like. And just came to thank you, brother. Yep. Rajat, no, I'm talking about 15-minute inversion fair value gap. You are talking about 15-minute inversion fair value gap. Where is your inversion fair value gap? Let me check. Oh, okay. So you are talking about this fair value gap. I forgot about this. Thank you, brother. I forget about this fair value gap. Thank you, brother. Though this is not important for me right now. I mean, yeah. Okay. Look. Thank you, brother. Thank you very much to show you the thing. Thank you very much. So this is the perfect setup. Price came here to the consequent encroachment curve. This should be your entry. Where is your target? This is your clean buy side liquidity. Will you target over there? No, you are not going to target over there. You will target very here somewhere, okay, very near to the fair value gap consequent encroachment or somewhere here. Why? Because your high time frame is telling you market will go lower. That is the only reason you will take your entry over there and you will put your stop loss below this breakaway gap. I mean 15-minute fair value gap. Remember, this is the also the last fair value gap. This on also the last fair value gap. If you remember or not, I don't know, but this also your first last fair value gap. So it came to the consequent encroachment curve. It came back again to the upper level of this 15-minute fair value gap. It come here. Now you can target here. I mean this highs you can target over there or wherever you want, okay, it's up to you. I mean you should look, maybe you will target here to this low volume balance low because you can't hold your trade until this highest liquidity never hold your trade until then. And as your bias is telling you market will go lower, try to take an entry against your bias, against your narrative. If you take an entry, try to I mean close your entry as soon as possible. Don't try to hold your entry for too long, never ever, okay. And Rajat, I think you are talking about this fair value gap, brother, if I am not mistaken. You are talking about this one. So this is the perfection, brother. And now please don't think I just saw this so I am telling you this. Every single day I'm showing you this, every single day. And if you see this setup happened with your narrative, okay, if your narrative was telling you market will go higher, that is the fun, man. That is the fun when you will see market gave you this setup and your expectation is market will go higher, narrative is telling you market will go higher, that is very clean buy side liquidity. That is the fun part, man. Okay, but if it is against on your narrative, then just take entry, close your entry, okay. And how much that will be? The near about, not I mean not a small, 24 to 25 handle, man. It's huge. I have already shown you that how much you can earn from just one contract. You will take one contract entry and how much you can earn from there. Okay, so it is going higher. Let's see how it works over there. It is already again inside the daily volume imbalance, but from 15-minute chart you need to watch the 15-minute chart for this volume imbalance, okay. 15-minute chart candle is appropriate for this volume balance. 1-minute chart you will look for this 15-minute fair value gap. You already know that. Now it came to this consequent encroachment. It has taken the buy side liquidity. If you see, nobody closed above the consequent encroachment. Nobody can close above the consequent encroachment. If it retraces from there, this fair value gap, then a curve, that is your entry. That should be your entry. If you see candle close above this consequent encroachment, if it is not fake breakout, you have nothing to do without waiting. Why? Your narrative is telling you market will go lower, market is going higher. This is against you. You don't know how long it will go. maybe it will go to this high, maybe it will take this buy side liquidity, then it will reverse, maybe it will go above that volume balance high. It can do anything if it is in, I mean, against on your bias. It can do anything, any single thing. So be careful about that. Okay, ES took previous week high and NQ did not. Does it make sense to go lower from here, or do you think we will push to purge previous week high by set? uh Brother, I actually don't watch the market like that way. I mean, the so it has taken the previous week high. You are talking about this high. It has taken this one. It failed to take the previous week high. And just a second. Amma, Amma. লিয়া ফোন দিছে। I don't look market like that way. I just follow the narrative. I follow my weekly analysis. I mean weekly bias. I follow them. Okay. Let me actually go to the E-mini S&P one more time. From E-mini S&P, I will go to 15-minute chart. Okay. Price has taken this buy side, all of this buy side liquidity. It has traded over there, and now where it is going? It is at the level of in the deep sea. I want to see it will come back again. Okay, this is already a very big candle. I don't want to see this type of big candle at in Monday. Monday should be the accumulation phase. It should come back again inside the range. That should be its destination. Over here, this is also very bad. Look at this high and this high. Even S&P has taken the high, but Nasdaq has failed to take that high. That is kind of sign that Nasdaq is also going to take that high. In that case, Nasdaq has more probability to trade that volume balance high. This is not SMT, guys. It has taken that high. It failed to take that high. So this is not SMT. This is kind of confirmation that Nasdaq is going to take that high as well. Okay, don't get confused. I have already explained little bit about the SMT, as Nasdaq is the strongest when market is going higher. Nasdaq is the strongest, so it should take the high. In the meantime, even S&P should fail to take that high, then that will be the SMT when you will expect market will go lower. But in that case, even S&P, the weaker sister, okay, she is weak, she is sick, she has taken the high and she is strong, she should take that high. Okay, that is kind of uh, confirmation, you can say. Now it will work every time, don't think like that way. Don't think like that way. It will work every time, don't think like that way. SMT is kind of the confirmation like that, nothing else. Okay, now this fair value gap is not actually respecting at all, and that is the thing I really don't want to like, because this is the last fair value gap. It should react, but look over here what it has done. Went higher, came back to the constant encroachment, it went higher, broken the fair value gap. No perfection from this fair value gap. That means later this fair value gap will be much more important later, as this is the last fair value gap. So it will be very important later, not right now. Okay, guys, I need some break. I mean, for 5 minute break, I need it. And did I show you the profit? Yeah, I showed it to you. So it's near about $744. This is real money. Don't get afraid. Should you take any more entry? If you ask me, I wouldn't take even this entry if I were, I mean, serious about this account. I mean, don't think like the other way. Now you will tell me, oh brother, you are not serious, that's why you took this type of entry. Okay, this is money, right? Money is always serious, but I am not serious about prop firm anymore. That's the meaning of my actually that was the thing. Okay, so if I would do the thing, I when I have mitigated my loss, I didn't take any kind of entries, nothing. But for showing you the perfection or perfect setup, I took that entry. Now where it is going, I believe it is going here to the upper level of this, I mean fair value gap. But this low, guys, remember these lows, they are very clean. Market is going to take them when, I don't know. You have to wait for the perfect setup like this. Here was your perfect setup. So when you see this perfect setup, if you take your entry to this fair value gap 22 YT model market structure shift fair value gap, just take that entry, take that profit. You are done. You don't care about this move, that move, nothing. But brother, we miss this big run. We miss it. I took very small run, one contract, that is $700 profit. $700 profit, man. Why do you need this big run? This small run is also profitable, brother. Trust me. Don't even think to take this type of run. This type of run will make you the perfect gambler. Trust me, brother. If you don't trust me, I don't know how to make you trust. Can I go for 5 minutes, brother? Please, just let me go for 5 minutes. Okay, I'll write it down over there. I'll be back. I will be, yes, back at 10. Now you will leave me, no problem. 10:05. NYLOCALI. I'm a man. I'm a human being, right? So I need some break. Just I'm coming back. Welcome back to ICT Trading Concept. How are you all? I'm very fine. Thanks not for asking. Oh man, what a run. Oh man, I miss it. I missed it. I missed it. I missed it. I'm frustrated, to be honest, brother. The week at 11:02 is good for MSS traded a favorable gap. This one, what time? 11:02. No, it is not. It is not a swing low. Look, this is this is a swing high. This is also a swing high. This is swing low. This is a swing low. And look at this. Where the here? This is not low. Okay, this is just a price. This candle has traded upper and down level and it has closed over there. This is level of the and the volume balance. This is the upper level of this volume balance. Let's see price can return or not. Now is the time to hope that market will go lower. This is the perfect time. It has traded the upper level of the volume balance. Let's see now. Price has traded inside the daily volume balance. Yeah, it has traded all the volume balance and at the level of the upper level of the volume balance it has traded over there. This is the time to show market if market can go lower or not. I'd love to see the daily candle there. Nothing to see over there. Let's see if it can go lower right now or not. Did I get 50 like? No, I didn't get. I got 47 like. Still I got 47 like, and people actually doesn't like my videos or my streaming. Oh no, not 47, it's 46. Nice. It's a nice thing. Oh man, you don't know anything about the price action, so I'm not going to give you any likes. Let it go. Okay, okay. Phoenix, what is that 16.333? George, bye bye. Bye bye, George. Phoenix, what is that 16.333? 0.33. Let me check. You have marked maybe the high, that high. I think so. No, 0.33. What is over there? What is over there, brother? I got a stopped out, got 3D. Why did you get a stopped out, brother? Why did you take your entry? Just tell me, why did you get? I mean, take your entry. Should has closed. Should have closed. I didn't get your point, brother. What did you say? I mean, where did you take your entry and which basis you took your entry and you got stopped out? The dollar index has very clean liquidity, so Nasdaq is supposed to hold high until DXY has taken its sell side liquidity. Let me check. It has the sell side liquidity over here. Yeah, I am expecting that market is going to take that sell side liquidity. I am expecting that, but not today. Today I don't want to see that. I want to see that market will be inside the Friday range today. I mean the Friday candle. Where was the Friday candle? Okay, here was the Friday candle. So has to come back again inside this range. That is why I'm expecting market will go higher, and it will take some kind of buy side liquidity over there. Get this buy side liquidity. That is clean buy side liquidity. I'm expecting market will go higher and it will take that buy side liquidity. I'm expecting that. But let's see what it has done. Let's see. Okay, 1600, 16100. Okay, let me go back over there. 16100, 5980. You took short. 5980, 5980. Go to the consequent cosment. Why did you take your short the consequent cosment? I mean, when price came to this consequent cosment, why did you take your short? You shouldn't take your short to the consequent cosment. I told that either if you would like to take your entry, you have to take your entry to the lower part for short, to the upper part for buy. But consequent encroachment, it is kind of the place where you have both runs. It can easily go here, then it can reverse to come here, it can trade there again. So it is very risky to take your entry at the consequent encroachment. Okay, brother. And I think market will go 16100, 16100. Let me check. 16, what we have there? 10. Here, what we have there, brother? Let me check. And why do you think like that way? Tell me that. Why do you think market will go over there? What we have there? You are talking about here, somewhere here. But why do you think market will go over there? I don't see anything over here. I mean, if you would say market will come here, that is logical because there is volume balance above that buy side liquidity. But we don't have anything at that level. That is not even also the consequent encroachment of this week. Let me check actually. So yep, that is also not the consequent encroachment of that week. So I don't think so that is a logical level where market can go. Okay, well, I don't know, brother, maybe I will be wrong, but I really expecting that market will go lower. It will take the sell side liquidity, and then this sells. If it can take this sell side liquidity today, I'll be happy. If it failed tomorrow, it will take that sell side liquidity, and that will be the market, I mean the manipulation phase. Manipulation phase will be done over there. Then we will see the expansion to the upper side. That is my expectation from today. Tomorrow if it can go over there, but this sell side liquidity will be taken today. As market went higher, it has traded this volume balance upper level. This is the consequent encroachment of this volume balance. I want to see that market will close below this consequent encroachment. That should be the expectation. I think market will go to, okay, so yeah, Jenny, you have to tell me why you are thinking that. Okay, whatever you are thinking, you have to tell me the level, then you have to tell me the reason. Till now I got information from Rajut about this parabolic curve that was really perfect, and I really love that. I missed it, but I really love that. I loved it. Okay, but if you think it is going higher, where it should go, why it should go over there, what we have at that level, you have to tell me all of these three things. Like, I am telling you that market should go lower. Why? We have this sell side liquidity, we have this sell side liquidity, we have so many things. We have narrative, market should close below the I mean inside the Friday range. We have so many things when market will go lower. If you tell me that market is going higher, you have to tell me the same thing, why it will go higher. Above here, this is the only thing, the volume balance, that's there, where market can go above, above over here. This only this volume balance, this is from the daily chart. Okay, except this volume balance, I don't see anything very important to the market. Now look at over here. Let's see we can get some kind of SMT over here or not. I really would love to see some kind of SMT right now. Looking at the weeks of the daily and weekly. Daily and weekly, let me actually check. So if you mark the weekly chart, consequent encroachment, that is also 16079. Consequent encroachment is also 16079. I think we have a different chart or something like this. If you think it will go over there, that is logical. I mean, this consequent encroachment is also logical, but in my chart it is 16079. It can be different to your chart, not impossible. Okay, so suggestion, please mark the hourly week consequent encroachment. The market is currently reacting from it. Hourly chart, let me put the hourly chart. Consequent encroachment, it's above this volume balance. I have already marked it, brother. It is above the volume balance. I see it. I mean, I marked it before. When I took the buy, I marked it before. Okay, so it is above the volume balance, little above. So I actually remove it because I saw it. When it will be there, I can see it by my eyes. That is why I actually remove it. What is this? This is actually the bull plug. Market is going to make the bull plug again. I love this type of bull plug. And you guys are telling me why I don't trade mini S&P, right? Look at the price over here. Look at the candles. See the candles? It's not very clean. It's not very clean. That is the reason I don't actually trade the mini S&P right now. See the candles? They are not very clean. Now compare the mini S&P with Nasdaq. Look at the candles. It is clean. See the setup clean. This run is clean. This thing is also clean. Everything is clean. Comparing to mini S&P. Look at the mini S&P. It's not clean. Okay. Lopez NQ looks like it wants previous week highs buy side liquidity before dropping and attack those daily relative equal lows you are saying. Previous week size, actually I am not interested to see that. Why? Because today's Monday should be the accumulation phase. Though we got a run here, little run over there, but it should stop over there because it has already done so many manipulation over there. Accumulation phase means it will go high, it will take the buy side liquidity, it will go low, it will take the sell side liquidity, it will go high again, it will take the buy side liquidity, then it will go low again, it will take the sell side liquidity. That is the accumulation phase. Okay, so with that logic we should see the the lower run right now. This is the bull flag, guys. Very clean bull flag. A retail trader, they are thinking market will go higher. Okay, so every time it is going lower they are taking buy, every time it is going lower they are taking buy. When it will go higher above that those highs, they will move their stop loss to the lowest, the swing low. I believe market will go low and take that sell side liquidity first before going lower or higher. Now let's see how it works, how this bull flag actually broken broken the heart of the retail trader. Ah, that's it. Green হয়েছে? যা বলছিল তাই? আচ্ছা, ভালো হয়েছে। Let's wait for the perfection. You will wait for just simply one setup. You see this setup? One setup is enough for being profitable. You don't need to take this entry, then you should wait for another entry, then later here another entry. No, don't do that. If you do that, you will be the loser. That is for sure. I'm not trading this at all. This is where I blow my assets. Yeah, that's the thing, brother. Don't trade this type of things. Wait for the perfect setup. Here you have to read the price. You are reading the price over here. What is reading the price? I'm expecting market will go lower. This is a logical level. Volume balance high. Price came here, has been rejected from there very beautifully. Now if you see any kind of perfect market structure shape after taking the buy side liquidity one more time, get this buy side liquidity actually. Let me actually mark the buy side liquidity for you. See, very clean highs, very clean. So if you see market has taken that buy side liquidity, after that it has given you a very nice market structure shift, you will go for entry. Now look at the sell entry as well. Okay, this is your sell side liquidity, this is your buy side liquidity. What do you think about market will do? I don't know what market will do. I have very clean buy side liquidity, I have very clean sell side liquidity. This is the bull flag. Wait to break this bull flag, wait to break this what to say, the consolidation, then we will act with our price. Now if it is already in 12, we have nothing to do. It can consolidate until 12, it can do that. At 12 we will just give up, we will wait until 1 p.m. Okay, this could be the time distortion for lunch macro. Yeah, it can be, it can be, brother, because we got the run already. Like, look at this run, this is the Judas swing. In my opinion, still this is the Judas swing. Market went higher, we got little run over there, we got another run over there, now it is making the bull flag. That means I would love oh man, this is kind of funny thing. I really would love to take a sell over there here, and my stop loss will be here above that high, not here, a little bit higher. I can put it over there above that high. Okay, and where will be my target? This will be my target. This type of things I really enjoy. I really love to see this type of things. stop loss should be to the break even right now. Because if you're wrong, you are not going to lose anything. I really love this type of setup. I mitigate my loss if I ever see this type of, I mean, the, what to say, this bull flag or bear flag. If I see them, I use this type of things to mitigate my loss. How many handle is 12 handle? Not bad. Though it is little, but it's good. Near about $300. And to see the min threshold will be broken. It is holding the price. I don't like to see that it will hold the price. It's because the only reason is it didn't take the sell side liquidity yet. That is why I don't want to see that min threshold will hold that, I mean hold the price. We are inside the macro. Don't worry. I hope macro will give us the expected run. I hope that. And I'm already in the break even. Okay, so if I am stopped out, I'm not going to lose anything. So that is also very important, guys. Try to understand. Whenever you will take this type of bull flag entries, if you can mark the buy side liquidity and very clean sell side liquidity, if you see buy side liquidity has taken perfectly, I mean you shouldn't do it, but it's kind of thing I do sometimes when I took a loss. I mitigate my loss if I see this type of bull flag, and everyone will tell you this is choppiness, this is sloppiness, this is something something. I love it. Okay, I love it. Your stop loss has to be here now, above that high. Above that high, it should be your stop loss. I want to see this candle will close below the min threshold. This is the min threshold. This is the order block min threshold. So it has to close below this min threshold. No, it's not gambling. It's the logic of the retail trader. If you ever watch ICT's live, you will know that ICT sometimes take entries depending on other live streamers. He watch other live streamers and then he took, if they say it's a very good setup to take buy, ICT takes sell. Okay, this is that type of things. If you see if you see this type of things, so you are already stopped out above that high. You are already stopped out to the break even, and let's see it can take the low or not. I believe it will take that low. That is kind of things ICT took. I do sometimes, but yeah, obviously you are not going to do this. Obviously you are not going to do this because this is gambling for you, because you will never know when is the perfect time to get entry. I didn't tell you take entries over there. There was also very clean sell side liquidity. See, this was also very clean sell side liquidity. Then you had very clean buy side liquidity over there, but I didn't tell you to take entries over there. I told you to take your entries over here. There is something I saw the market doing every time, I mean so many times. That's why I'm confident about this one. You you have to spend time with your chart for a long time. After that you will know what is the perfect time to take your entry. Okay, before that you are not going to see this type of things. Trust me, brother. till now this min threshold actually holding the price. I don't like to see this. I want to see it will break, it will be broken. Okay, have to go. Okay, let me just see you, brother. See you very much. I mean, I will also close my session very soon. um Maybe after 5 to 10 minutes I will close it. Okay, see you, brother. So it's gambling. Okay, I give you the answer. Yeah, it's gambling for those who doesn't understand the price. I mean, for who doesn't have the um experience. Okay, this is gambling for them. What is his name actually from um Germany? What was his name? Oh man, I forgot the name. Oh brother, I forget your name. How can I forget your name? The guy from Germany. Are you here, brother? I remember you are from Germany, but are you here? I forget your name, man. Let's see. Just give me some time. I would like to see it works or not. Okay, then I will close my session today. And in the meantime, if you have any question, please you can ask me the question. I'll be happy to give you the answer. Okay, if you have any Jillian, SUP, what does it mean, brother? Super? Something like this? Or SUP, what does it mean? I'm I even didn't know GM means good morning. If you use the short form, you have to tell me the abbreviation as well. What does it mean? SUP. Oh man, don't made me wrong. I don't want to be wrong. It's a request to the market. Please make me right. Make me right. Make me right. Make me right. Ah, boom. I'm wrong. Okay, whatever. This mean threshold, it failed. It made me wrong. I hate you, man. I hate you. Whatever. I think my session for today. And just tell me if you have any question or not. Okay. And I would love to show you the entries one more time. In the meantime, in my opinion, this is the entry. I love to take only this entry. This all was mitigating my loss. Why I took a loss over there, I already explained that as well. If you are from the beginning, you already know why I took that loss. To show you that if you take a loss, if you take an entry before 9:30, most probably you are going to take a loss. Now if you take a loss, you don't need to be panic. You can easily mitigate your loss with a logic. So that mitigation a loss is the simple thing. I have mitigated my loss over there. After that, I saw this perfect price action. I took my entry over there. I closed my entry over there at this level. Look at this low over there, and that was my profit. So, and this is also, not paper money. This is real money. So this is the same thing. If you trade in paper money or if you trade in real money, that is same thing. Okay, you don't need to be panic. So that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoy my streaming and you get bored already. If you get bored, I'm very sorry. Hope for the best. Okay, see you guys. Bye bye.